Yo, it's good. Everybody in the 313, SMD, FT, fucking B. That's an acronym. It means suck my dick from the back. You know who it is. It's Trumpito. Marshall, I heard you talking spicy on the television, on a network that nobody watches. Talking brazy about me, having a 2 o'clock shadow on your face. Yo, drop that fucking beat for me one time. Hasan, drop the beat. Yo, listen,
Go in, Trump.
Yo.
Spit that fire, daddy.
I wrote you a letter and you ain't write back. Then get the fuck out of here. I'm not writing no fucking bullshit. Yo, listen. You niggas got me hot.
Take your shirt off, daddy.
Yo, I'm gonna take my shirt off. Yo, I'm gonna pass the mic one time. Yo, Flex, I'm gonna pass the mic one time to my nigga, Ben Boston. Yo, you know who it is? It's Ben Boston, the illustrious, the most gifted hands on the planet. I'm here as a shooter on behalf of my nigga Trumpito. Jay-Z told you I'll never make the news again. My man will shoot you. I'm your man. Understand? My hands are gifted. Marshall, I heard you talking spicy. You niggas in Detroit don't even have front doors. How dare you? You niggas are broke. Jamel Hill, I'm talking to you too. Anybody can get it. Anybody in the 313. SMD, FTB. That means suck my dick from the back. You know what time it is. I'm gonna pass the mic one time to Trumpito so he can talk his shit. Yo, check it. Yo. Hasan, drop the beat one time. I'ma hit you with a hell flow. Yo, it's Trumpito on the mic. Yo, Eminem, Marshall Mathers, you're trash. I come through, eat your girl's ass. I got bars for days, bars for weeks. Yo, Puerto Rico.
Get these yeeks. It's your man Steve munching on the track. You keep me in a PJ.
Talk to
you see
him.
my bitch, she got mad expensive
right.
leathers. I got no top lip. Catch me on top of the treasury,
you know
counting your gold.
We all out here.
We all out here,
you know
GOP gang, gat gang.
You know what I'm saying? Got my man Steve Bannon. Yo, Bannon, talk to him. What's good? I'm a fucking human skin tag. You all are garbage.
Steve Bannon with the cannon.
Blood and soil. Bannon.
Yo, do the fucking drop.
Do the fucking drop. Yo, it's Ben Boston, nigga. Suck my whole dick. Yo, Diamond and Silk, take us out. Holla.
Trump's your president. He's your president. He's a president.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
That was a fucking mess.
It was a huge mess.
Bro,
But you know what? You're not getting. Yeah, listen. That was we did like 6
you want
weeks.
for free,
What else you want for free,
Nigga,
baby?
come on, man.
Yo,
That's
what is
what
this? Hey, listen. 1984 was a good year, baby. That's when I had the coke flow. It's your
You know
boy
what I'm
Jesus
saying?
Nights, aka Jesus Vice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat Like Tyrio, aka Chris Stats for Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Butchers Butchagazi, Slow That Might Know You Bitch, Young
right.
Day Party, Young Hot Tip,
right.
DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo, 1994 in Nova York, Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC Little Gunga P, putting up from 40 with your shorty.
Oh my God.
AK, don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't even know you.
And guess what? I'm gonna go mad far, so I'll make this into like a relationship kind of
Please,
thing.
please.
The original +1 got +1, so don't make fuss on.
That's right.
Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican dude, Jermaine
Oh, that's
Avocado
right.
Toast, Young the Ghost of Mufasa. When I die, they're gonna release the director DVD. Don't let them do that. Yo, Chakuli out the coonery, aka Chili Ramon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Get okay.
Papi, locks with Bob Wesley. Hasan had the crowd papi.
You see 38 rings.
You know
Here we
what I'm
come. Here we
saying?
come. Mama Sushi. We come in. We get the double toppy. Vice Game Matsuzaka. 3 Phone Jones. These Ex Machina. Jake Chuckle. Stanley Cups. The Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute. Leonardo Trapio. Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot Blurry.
Yeah.
DJ Woolite. AK. You're listening to Washed FM. Up next, we have 4 hours of Baby Bash.
Wow.
Desus Spicer. Jamal Ashburn. Ron Celine Dion. Ray Nephew's nephew. The
Damn.
Moreno. You cannot contain him. The human meme. Word to Ja. Where's Ja? Young Aaron. The racist provocateur. Henrik Budquist. Nelson Bangdella. Sergio Can't See Me. Vladimir Buffin. The human Werther's melting in your mouth.
Damn.
Mr. Bex on Decadent. Ricky Ticky. Squabby. Whoa. Wheel up a little water. Wheel on the laptop. Oh no. Greg Popovich. Go on and say it's your chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi. Not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. The juice of the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dada Ganoush. Yeah. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Nova Casanova. William H. Cent. 5 cent. $10. Forget the small change. Give me big money and wine. The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
Yeah.
Squally. Mr. Saga. Catch me at square one. Top left.
Man's is Marv out here, you know.
You know what it is. Triz True Rizzuto. Holy cow. Mr. Shopping at Street Easy with a bad breezy like I'm Yeezy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic addict who'll crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina, like fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor, aka you're problematic, babe. I'm still riding with Trump.
Yo, damn, 84 was a good year. So that's when my Theo came here and fucking invented crack. You know what I'm saying? You know who it is. It's your boy that came here, aka Human Durag Flab, aka Donovan McNabb, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa, aka Skirt Loader, aka James St. Fat Dick. I'll cost on you, shorty, wait for season 5. AKA, I know fucking, baby, I fucking man. I put a hookah together with my eyes closed. Motherfucker, come to my store. AKA, check the justice again, you fucking piece of shit, you fucking meathead. I swear to God, I come over here with more magazines in the fucking waiting room, nigga. If you don't let me in here, and I don't got no fucking ID, nigga, and all these niggas is with me.
Wow.
Hey, that's Jesus, nigga. You don't recognize Jesus either? You fucking piece of, yo, matter of fact. Yo, listen, man, I will do a backflip off of a 4-foot pool, man, and injure myself severely to impress my children because I'm the fucking dad of the year, nigga, aka Bismack Biombo, aka Phil the Ass Tyson, aka Lionel Messi, MVP of La Liga de la Mota, aka Tom Brady. Shorty got my balls kind of deflated, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, it is what it is. I'm out here riding with Trumpito. Fuck Eminem, you know what I'm saying? Suck my dick. AKA Little Bit Dominican Dundada, AKA Barlow Santana, AKA Dick in your bed with Tumbo. That pussy belong to me. You know, come in this pussy no more. That's it. It's over for you. AKA Ben Barson. My hands are gifted. I'll replace your cranial cortex with a berry pie, and now you can play emulated games at an accelerated rate while you masturbate. I got balls for niggas. AKA Lighten L Dutchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? 'Cause I can see it in your eyes that you're broken, sing your five. And you don't even got a phone number to call, my nigga? You don't even know nobody that got weed, bro?
Oh, that's whack, man.
Like, come on, what are you doing, bro? Get out of here. Get this nigga out of here, man. Yo, open your fucking medicine cabinet, man. Please secure your benzodiazepines, nigga. You fucking wing. Cause it's the Zen, man. AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport 245, AKA Zaniel Beddingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Nino Brown, shut the Carter down. AKA East Tree, my Stevie B at Cortona Park Live. I wanna be the one your TD is fucking. AKA.
Hey.
Hey, mate. I don't make my own tea anymore cause niggas just platinum in the streets. Shout to Ted Smooth on a remix. You know what I'm saying? It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed or tree mud. And I wrap my Panamera around the pole. Holla at me, you know what I'm saying? I got bail money early. You know what I'm saying? Ain't shit to do in Oklahoma City, niggas. Oh, I'm at Dave & Buster's, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, bro. I'm out here chilling with niggas, you know. You know what it is, man. I'm bored, but it's Barmelo's Anthony
For 3.
Swish.
You gotta change that to Board Mellow.
I'm over here dancing with Russell Westbrook. Yo, fam.
Uh-oh.
It's Halloween season, my nigga. If you see me in Target, dog, test driving candy, you know what I'm saying? And I'm handing my kids Laffy Taffy like, yo, which one you like? You know what I'm saying? You like bananas nasty, right? That shit is disgusting. Approach me like a fucking Ursa mammal, nigga, before you ask for my signature on your breast. You know what I'm saying? Because I may react aggressively. Hasan, tírame la fucking pista, loco. ¿Qué es lo que es, mi gente? Llegó el hijo de FIFA, el más duro de todo. Yo sé, más duro que la bata de Gary. Ya tú sabes lo que viene por ahí. Los Yankees están ganando y estamos ganando de este lado también, papi. Prende la fucking hookah para no explotarte, mama huevazo. If you see my roja, I'm a holy nigga getting in there with no ID. Holla.
Hey.
What's good? Nigga said, yo, no ID, no entry, boss. I said, nigga, I'm on fucking TV.
That is my. He's like, nigga, I don't have Viceland. Like, fuck out of here. Yo, shout out as always, 220 West 18th Street, home of Red Bull Arts.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We out here, just crystal clear clarity
You know
in
what
the
I'm
studio.
saying? I was surprised. I heard the mic in the headphones. I was like, oh my God.
Reminded you.
Sounds so crisp.
Mine's so crisp. Like, yeah, it's been a week. What a week.
Yo. It's funny because niggas, every time niggas take a week off from the show, some astronomically, it's like, bro,
hell breaks
y'all
loose.
niggas might want us to stay on the air forever eternally.
Yeah.
So that shit, some wild shit don't actually happen. Next time we take a week off, Trump is launching a nuke.
Yo,
I'll tell you right now.
They have the two generals was like, yo, they said that they have discussed physically tackling him if he tries to send a nuke. Like, my nigga, what is this?
What are you doing?
What is Trump's acting like the nuclear code is the last slice of pizza? Like, no, nigga, no. Come on. This nigga just sitting there like,
I wish a nigga would.
he's like, Fuck it, mask off.
Fuck.
They just run. They're like, no!
Free smoke, free smoke.
What's the code? Fuck that. Fuck Rocket Man.
Yo, password.
Nigga said what? This nigga subbing me? All right, got that.
Yo.
This nigga sneaking out in the middle of the night, using the light from his Android to find the nuclear code. General Kelly's like, whoa.
Yo.
What you doing down there?
Yo.
What you doing down there?
The fuck? Almost like this in the second water.
Trump, what you doing down there? Get some milk and cookies.
Just make it gagging. RP back.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
we all gonna die.
Trumpito, yeah.
Shout out to us making it this far. You know what I'm saying?
Niggas had a good run.
Had a good run.
Niggas had
We
a good
made
run.
it
We
long
almost
enough.
got rich. We almost got rich.
Almost.
You know what I'm saying? We almost got rich.
Last year being broke, first year being dead.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? Chucky told me.
Yo, but we made it to season 2 of the most illustrious
That's right.
show in late night
They saying
television.
ball bags.
Often duplicated.
Never imitated, you know what I'm saying?
No,
Actually,
often imitated, never duplicated. Yeah, it's the other way around. You know what I'm saying? But you see it, though.
You know what it is.
You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Listen, we put that work in every day.
You know what I mean?
You see,
in the gym,
can't do
nigga pumping it.
Can't
You know
do
what I'm saying? Off the Toppington.
Imagine you had a
a
show with 2 hoodie mellows.
Come on.
That's what you got.
That's what you got,
That's what you got, nigga.
So go make your fucking
Jesus and Mero,
You know what I'm saying?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 11 p.m. on Vice. You know what
catch
it
a
is.
fucking marathon on Friday, nigga, because they know what they doing.
You know what it is. You know the brand is what? Strong. The brand is what?
Strong.
Yes. Yes. The caliphate is awesome. Shout out to all the Bodega Hive members out
You know what I'm
there.
saying? Showed up for everything. Showed up for the fucking pop-up.
Showed up for
Taller
everything.
Peralta, you know what I'm saying?
Showed up at my house.
You know what I'm saying? Showed up in the
Garden
crib.
hose was like, yo, get out of here. It was like, die for the hive. I was like, not today.
Not today,
Not today. I'm sleeping late.
Stop letting yourself on fire, guys.
I was like, listen, I need you guys to leave right now. Top left.
Top left.
Did you see Drake spent the night at Odell Beckham's hospital room?
It makes sense. Those crying and shit, like, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be there for your man. I mean, if you broke your
people
ankle,
was like,
I don't know if I would spend the night. You'd probably be mad, like, this nigga farting and snoring and shit. Like, I'm over here trying to heal up.
I mean, if
Niggas eating my Percocets.
if I broke my ankle, you came to visit, and you stayed more than 10 minutes, it would be weird. I don't really.
I'll be like, I show up with like flour, like, yo, damn,
like, yo,
nigga.
like you show up with like a blunt or something, like, yo, can you go? Oh, you can't smoke?
Oh,
Nah, damn. All right,
nah, nigga, put your leg on the little wheelie thing. Nigga, we out. We going to the parking lot.
Use your leg to prop open that window. Niggas blowing the smoke down the cast. Yeah. The Jamaican nurse come in like, what's that smell?
You're smoking the sin, see?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, he brought incense.
Yo.
Just a whole needle.
You know weed.
The whole natal unit. All the babies is wild blaze. Like,
Yo, it's good. Yo, such a lot, though, nigga. Got niggas fried, yo.
All the fucking heart monitors is just like,
Boo. Beep, boo. It's like Mike Well. It should turn to a fucking Mike Well.
Dropped in the Pegasus.
Yo, that song goes so hard. I love Ray Sherman so much,
How
man.
can you not?
Bro, like, how can you not love those dudes, man?
Their energy, it's infectious.
You know what I'm saying? All
Dirty
kind of
Ute.
reckless to necklace. You know what I'm saying?
They're good, nice young boys.
Nice young lads. Nice Christian boys.
Clean cut Christian lads. It's boycott Twitter. Women are not tweeting. Some women are not tweeting today.
Okay.
Women of color are not tweeting.
Okay.
Because Rose McGowan got kicked off Twitter.
For what?
Because she went on and she was like talking about Harvey Weinstein.
Oh,
Who,
that's
for
right.
the record, those of y'all trying to throw the illustrious podcast under the bus, we did not do a Harvey Weinstein intro.
No, it was
we
a
did Harvey
Firestein.
Firestein.
Grow
okay?
up. You know, you can't tell the two apart?
Idiots.
Firestein is an icon, okay?
You also called him a sloppy bottom. But, you know, that's neither here nor there. That's neither, you said quivering butthole. But, I mean, listen.
what do you want? I mean, come on.
God's working on all of us.
It's 5778, get with the times.
Oh, my God. We're going to die.
So who'll go cry for us, hop in the whip and ride for us. Damn.
Shout out to Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands,
You know
who
what I'm
our
saying?
president not only has forgotten about, he's now mocking them on Twitter.
Mocking, dog.
He was like, yo.
Yeah, I guess you niggas need a little more gasolina over there.
So, how
this
long-
shit is not fuego.
How long you niggas really think you're going to lay up with FEMA? Because I need that thing back.
Yeah, come on, it's really good. I told you niggas 1 week.
It's like when you were in school and like you trade someone a video game. And you're
He's like, yo, come on, my nigga, yo.
He's like, yo. I was like, yo, you just lent it to me yesterday.
Come on, my
and shit.
nigga. I need my double dragon back. Come on.
I gotta save game though. I'm gonna lose my save game, dude.
That was the struggle. The same game struggle. The corrupted memory card struggle. Nigga, you play Final Fantasy, fucking, and your memory card gets corrupted, you tight. Like a gift for a little homie at the table, like, like a man.
Turn your system on and it's like game file corrupted.
Yeah,
Like,
what?
no, you can't do that.
No.
The one thing I need you to do is not corrupt my game file.
Damn. I built a whole team from scratch on NFL game day. Damn.
Just terrifying. You trying to Google what types. How do I fix this? And
Blowing the shit like it's a Nintendo cartridge.
Google's like, you can't fix this, dog.
Dog, it's over.
Dog, it's over. Just let
give
it go.
up.
Just let it go.
Just let it go.
Just let it go, fam.
Radical acceptance.
It's not. It wasn't meant to be.
You know what I'm saying? Just accept things you can't control. You know.
Listen.
That's it.
Denial. Sometimes in life, the hardest thing you can do is want something.
Yo, speaking of, you're buying sneakers right now.
Why are you always hot? Why are you always making it hot, my guy?
Yo, I love this. This got to become a tradition. You got to buy a pair of sneakers every week on the show live, and then tell people what they are. That's it. That's it. No. That's it. We got to talk. That's
Fam,
it.
I've basically been doing that for like the last 4 months.
Come on.
Buying sneakers isn't fun anymore. And I saw somebody.
Is it a burden on your soul now?
You know what it is? I just need more space. I don't even know what sneakers I own.
Right.
Like now it's just
They're
getting
not cataloged.
It's getting into hoarding. So like it's like
just get a task rabbit to like I inventory your shit.
Oh yeah. No, I got big plans.
You know what I'm saying?
I got big plans, baby. Jesus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. I'm gonna take this town over.
It's beautiful. Oh my God, he has a 2-car garage full of sneakers.
When I move up to 66th Street,
Amazing.
I'm just looking for a nice place, a nice
little brownstone,
a nice Hebrew school, a bagel shop. Settle down with a nice Jewish girl.
Someone that has a nice challah.
You know, maybe convert to a Hasidic.
You know what I'm saying? Rock the color shit, like the waffle hat.
Listen. I'll tell you, I likes me a little. What's
you know what I'm saying?
What's it called that? The
yarmulke?
yarmulke?
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, what's that?
I'll get a little double yarmulke.
Double yarmulke? Is that the new term? Is that what we say it on the show now? You gonna ask celebrities, you ever got the double yarmulke?
Got the double yarmulke?
Yeah. Nah, I'm trying to jump on the Jew wave. Is that a term? I'm jumping on the Jew wave before Supreme drops the Supreme gonna drop the yarmulke. You know it.
You know they
You
are.
see the trajectory.
Yeah, they are.
You know?
Way back when you said the Kyan, and it's coming.
It's coming. They making shovels.
Yep.
They're doing it like
crowbars,
like the jumper cables for your car.
What's next? They got plumb bob, Supreme plumb bob.
This isn't even that. Niggas got the fleet kit to wash out your butt. Like,
yo, come on.
It's like, yo, Supreme just running out of shit.
I think it's got Supreme fucking laxative and shit. Just like vinegar water. Like, what is this?
Oh, shit.
What are you niggas doing? Yeah, but niggas are copping though. You seen the fucking line? We was at Vice and seeing the line was banana
Shout out
cakes.
to Supreme Brooklyn. Oh, yo, people copping the Brooklyn box, Supreme tea, and reselling it outside. Some of you kids are looking very fragile out there reselling.
Fam, I seen a group of niggas around the car, and it was just one dude with cornrows who you could tell was just like, yo, give me the fucking money. And it was just kids lined up like, okay, here's $500, $1,000.
When I was walking, like, because they had the security guards by Supreme, and I guess 2 kids was like, oh, I think he's gonna rob us, the guy across the street. And this guy was like, yo, I'm the bodyguard, I'm like the guard for Supreme, I'm not the guard for you. Once you copy your shit, that's how you better, good luck running to that L train, nigga. Bedford's a very long block.
Nigga, you might take it all the way to the L train. Fuck out of here. Niggas be looking mad fragile. Yeah, I mean, listen, you can't pull up, be fragile, nigga. Pull up with a stick.
Listen, reselling it for everyone. Shout out to Dano, you know what I'm saying? Like, niggas you gotta be thorough with your hustle in these streets, baby. Can't be some mark off the porch.
Nah, man.
You gotta bang your steel.
You know what I'm saying?
Regulators, rile up.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, nah, niggas are wildin' with the reselling shit. I don't know, man. Listen,
like Jay-Z said, just live your life and set the price on niggas.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Speaking of living your life on niggas.
Don't call that money over
27.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right.
Holy shit, it's about to be fucking prosciutto time. Holy moly, guacamole.
My fucking guy.
Holy shit, there.
My fucking guy.
You see the fucking Yanko bombs out here doing what it do.
First of all, condolences from the bottom of my heart.
Yeah.
To Bill fucking Simmons.
Oh, whoa. Call a fucking ambulance for this guy. This guy's having a fucking heart attack over here.
I had to text him to see if he like fell face down in his clam chowder after the Red Sox blew it.
Whoa. They blew that fucking load like me in fucking Vegas with a fucking high. Hey, you know what? Never mind.
Whoa, hey. Not for the mics. Hey. Welcome to the Paulie and Pastruto show.
That's right.
On
Here.
WFAM.
Hey, we're replacing Mike.
Shout out to Didi Gregorius, who's black but not black. I don't know how that works, but he got two big jacks.
He's a guy, he's a black guy, but he's Dutch. He's a Dutch guy.
I guess he has like high top wooden shoes. Hey. Anyway,
I guess you could call him the Dutch master.
Oh, whoa.
Bing.
Hey.
Bada boom.
Hey, whoa. Are the Yankees in the playoffs or are you?
Hey,
who's
I'm
got the
outta
hot
here.
bat over here?
We're swinging for the fences, pal.
Anyway, then you got CC fat ass Sabathia finally doing something.
Fucking for once in his life, the fucking guy. Whoa,
this guy is lucky to get any white people money. And what does he do? He barely, he gave us 5 minutes. I respect it.
I respect it.
A little lazy, but hey,
what are you gonna do?
That's all I asked. The black guy gives the ball to a white guy.
Come on, that's it. Hand it over.
That's exactly reverse reparations. I guess you guys would say. Shout out to the
Mike
Yankees.
is calling in like, you guys are doing a bang up job out there. Keep hating black people. Keep tradition alive.
I was so drunk during that last Yankee game.
Fam, I fell asleep during that 22 pitch, fucking 1,000 pitcher
The one
bat.
with Brett Gardner.
Yo, shout out to Playboy Gardy B.
Playboy Gardy. Yo, listen. Yo, man, like 11. Ooh, that was epic.
That's some veteran shit, bro. That's some veteran shit. You go mad deep in a fucking pitch count, make a nigga throw mad pitches, and wait for him to make a mistake.
The batter's usually gonna win that. The batter's usually gonna win that. I think I was doing a beer per pitch. I was doing that baseball thing where I stood for the rest of the game. Just pacing around my living room, hands rubbing them, touching my face, shifting my hat, throwing my Yankee hat with the stain on it so that you know it's real. It's out there. I wore my 09 hat.
Fam.
You know what I'm saying? You know what it is?
Yo, I watched fucking like the first 6 or 7 innings on on Instagram, like IG Live. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to Hive. You know what I'm saying? And then I watched the end of the game just on TV because I was like, I gotta throw this shit on the actual
Gotta
TV.
watch this shit
I gotta
live.
watch this shit.
Yes.
And fucking. It was incredible. And I fucking told you niggas it was gonna happen, Marathon.
Don't forget, every time the Indians have appeared in the World Series, 1948, 1954, 1999, 1997, and 2016, the Yankees have appeared in the World Series in 1949, 1955, 1996, 1998. You know what that means, baby.
Ball bags. We're headed straight to the top 28. Here we go.
And don't forget, you guys went in 97, Cleveland.
Yeah.
And then what happened?
You took a fucking L.
98, who was there?
Yeah.
99, who was there?
Us. Yeah.
2000?
Yeah.
It was us.
It was us.
It was us.
You
Yeah.
wasn't there.
You wasn't there.
To quote the illustrious Cameron Giles.
Okay.
You wasn't there.
Like they said from Major Figures, yeah, that's us. Shout out to Philly.
Yeah. Woo. Philly.
Shout out to everyone that either now hates the Yankees because we're such Yankee fans, or is cheering for the Yankees just because you want to see us be wild assholes, and we will not let you down.
We will not.
Lin,
I got the ring emoji in my recents all day.
I got a tattoo around my butthole of the 28th ring. Just to let niggas know. Just to let you know we shitting on y'all.
Yeah, it was good.
I can't wait till they win. I just pull my cheeks down like, yeah.
All that. Nigga just went to Chipotle before I came in.
I'm gonna be on the fucking truck with CC Sabathia and Andy Pettit with my yeeks out like, yeah. 27. My bus going
Yeah. Kiss the O-ring, pal.
Oh, people gonna be like, oh, they're gonna rub it like the fucking stump.
Blarney Stone and shit.
Yeah. Kiss me, I'm Irish.
Yeah, niggas hanging upside down kissing your asshole. Yeah.
Yeah, but you know what? Low key, I was prepared for the Yankees. If the Yankees lost that game because the Red Sox had lost, I was like, all right. Because you know what? I am a hater.
Yeah.
I'm a hater, but I've embraced my haterness.
Yankee fans are petty.
Petty,
you know what I'm
petty.
saying? We're very petty. Like, I know you've seen the video of homie when Cleveland was getting shut down and he was walking trying to beat traffic.
Uh-huh.
And everybody was like, you fucking asshole, you fucking jerk off, you fucking beast.
I'm not even a Cleveland fan, I'm a Red Sox fan.
Yeah, I'm a Red Sox fan, you jerk. And then he fell down. I was like, so appropriate.
Love it.
Somebody got to Photoshop Bill Simmons' face on that. On my video editing geniuses. Get to work.
Just good times. It's good for baseball when the Yankees are in it. Like, don't be a hater.
Don't be a hater all your life.
Come on, what do you want to see? You want to see a World Series with the Pirates in it?
Come on, LeBron can put his Yankee hat back on now.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
All right, Winland.
Yeah.
Damn, at Cleveland was going hard. What, they went 22 straight?
The Windians.
The Windians.
Yeah, so you
More
ran
like-
up against the Bronx Bombers, pal.
More like the Winded.
The Washtians. Say,
Whoosh.
fuck out of here. Whoosh. Example.
Steve, give me another day, Coop.
Come on. Yeah, I told you niggas. We were in 3 in a row. Come on. Give me a break. You know what time it is, Severino. Yo, shout out to Severino de lo mío personal fue, tú sabes, llegamos a prender la juca. Mike was giving him the wild dick from solo. And
Was he?
like, remember he was like, yo, he's like, are you crazy? He's like, yo, I think the dude called in. He's like, I think he's going 2.5 innings. He's gonna get shelled.
Yep.
And then homie was like, are you crazy? He's one of the strongest thumbs. This guy's a Cy Young Award candidate. He's one of the best in the game. Are you kidding me? I was hype. I was like, yeah, talk that shit, bro.
Talk that shit, Mike.
Talk that shit, Mike.
Talk,
yo.
Mike.
Talk to him, Mike.
Sing it. Mike Francesa. We only got a couple more weeks of him left.
Yeah. Enjoy them while you can.
Take it. Listen, National Treasure.
Enjoy the latent racism while you
National
can.
Treasure. You know what I'm saying? Maybe, maybe you want to hear some coded language
You know what I'm saying?
while you're listening to like a sports report.
You know what I mean?
Shout out to the United States men's soccer team.
Getting
Cause I see Victor in the building.
Yeah.
Young Victor.
Yeah. Niggas pulled up with the
niggas pulled up with the hair.
exclusive Nike blazer shit, nigga.
Yo.
Like whoop.
The men's soccer team failed to qualify for the World Cup.
Yup, because they got beat by
Trinidad and Tobago.
Jump on Wim! Jump on Wim! Jump on Wim! Jump on Wim! Bungie Garland, center midfielder!
Mad fucking steel drums and shit.
Whoa! Nigga Julian as a goalie and shit. Yeah. Whoa!
Yeah. So
He was tight because he's Panamanian and decided to play for the U.S. to make the World Cup.
You sick.
Gotta hear both sides. Now they don't gotta go to Russia. Because that's where the World Cup is. And everyone, y'all niggas think y'all not gonna go to the World Cup and get like radiation and Putin spraying like fucking audio devices at your head to give Russia an advantage at the shit.
Come on, my nigga.
Y'all gonna be tight when you get to Russia and y'all all think, oh, it's the World Cup and shit. And Russia got a fucking goalie that's a bear.
Yeah. You're gonna be sick.
You're gonna be sick. Like,
you know what I'm saying? When you check
you'll
into
be
the
like,
hotel
how's this
room.
not against the rules? And Russia be like, nah, y'all never said no bears.
Yeah.
Sorry, you said no women,
Come
but
on.
no bears.
No bears, assholes.
Bears.
So
The Bears, like, when niggas is covering their nuts, trying to pussy kick and shit. The Bears, like,
that's the bear from Tekken and shit.
oh, wow, shout out to him. If you did not have respect for somebody when you played against them in Tekken, you played as the bear.
As the bear, like,
you
fuck
was
you,
like,
nigga.
really?
I'm gonna wash you with a fucking. I'm gonna use the alternate colorway panda, nigga. I'm gonna wash your shit.
There's certain
Like
players
two
that
paw
fight.
slaps.
If fighting characters, there's certain fighting characters that if people use you, is just disrespectful.
It's
If they use
disrespectful,
you-
yeah.
If you in Street Fighter 2, I think it was
Blanca, man.
Blanca,
Blanca?
Blarog, or whatever, the
Balrog, yeah,
fake
yeah, yeah.
Mike Tyson.
Mike
Couldn't
Tyson.
even kick.
You didn't even kick. How you got heavy kick, leg kick? You don't kick.
This
nigga.
nigga got Tim's.
Like,
This nigga got Tim's kick. This nigga got Tim's on Las Vegas Boulevard on the strip.
It's such a
I
wasted
wouldn't even kick you in the
opportunity.
head.
What kind of New Yorker are you?
I'm out here by myself.
I'm myself. Can't watch my hand by
Disrespectful.
Yo, the story behind that is ill. That he was supposed to be M. Bison, but he wasn't M. Bison because the niggas don't want to catch that wild lawsuit. Yeah.
Listen, lawsuits. No one's trying to catch.
Japan don't give a fuck,
Nobody's
nigga.
trying to catch lawsuits.
They be naming shit anything. Japan don't name some shit fucking Cappuccino Delight fucking sunglass, nigga, and it's an anime about a ninja killing niggas.
And the shit be lit.
Yeah, and you're like, yo, what the fuck, nigga?
Says the person in the anime named Neo Yokio when you transform into a. All right.
Yeah, that's some wild yeeks in that fucking anime.
You know there's Neo Yokio porn.
They gotta be.
Yeah. Don't. Yeah. Niggas is disrespectful, fam. Niggas is out here.
Oh, you
I'm
put
not
it up?
bringing it up.
Oh, I was looking like he was about to pull it up. Like, oh
Nah,
shit,
man.
Yeah.
Nah, niggas is like, yo, I think Desus and Mero's characters should go. I was like, nah, they got like a friendship. Don't sexualize cartoons.
Don't sexualize
fam.
cartoons, guy.
Like,
You know what I'm saying? Respect our agencies.
You know what I mean? Respect different. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
don't be like that.
Yeah, man.
Don't be messy McGressy. Don't be mind your business. Concentrate on yourself.
You know what I'm saying? We're
That's
all
the
riding
best
our
way to
horse.
live.
You know what I'm saying?
We're all
Please.
riding our own horses.
Ride yours, mind yours.
Some of our horses are sick and need to be put down, but some horses,
Some
you
need to be
know,
made into glue. And some can keep galloping.
some will keep galloping. Some of you got to ride right to the fucking I don't know, the horse for glue, the glue factory.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Yeah.
And then they make the hooves into gelatin. Is that true? Or is that like a myth?
It's true.
It's part true?
It's part true.
Damn, horse hooves in jello.
Horse hooves. That sounds kind of delicious though.
Next time you do a jello shot, you eat a horse hoof.
I haven't done it. When's the last time you did a Jello shot?
I don't even remember.
I haven't done a Jello shot.
Fucking a decade. Easy.
When you get older, you just be like,
I don't really want to puke.
I don't like shots.
Yeah.
Listen, I like the shots.
Give me a snifter or something, my nigga.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? Let me sip on something. Let me sip some yak and some smiles and some yak. You know
I was
what
at the bar the other day for the Yankee game, and someone was like, "Let's do shots," and I was like, "Let's not."
No, it's not.
was
It's
like, nah.
the top of the third, my
I was
guy.
like, yeah.
Like, what do you? Why do you want to get sloshed in the third inning?
Yo,
Like,
Jesus 10 years ago was like, Let's do shots. I do all of them. Line up stick Patron back to back.
Give me fucking Irish car
Yo,
bomb.
pour them on my chest.
Yeah.
I was the guy like, yo, shot for everyone. They're like, what do you want, Jameson or Patron? I was like, yes. Both of them.
Jatron.
Yeah.
Mix the Jameson and the Patron.
I was making new controversial shit. So I was like, yo, give me the ISIS beheader. Like,
Oh shit.
Now, they'd be like, yo, you want to do
Shit is
an
just a shot of
IPA? I'm like,
Jim
whoa. It's Wednesday.
What's the alcohol content in there? Sheesh.
I had a lot of carbs at lunch. I'm not really trying to feel bloated.
Yeah. I'm drinking wine now and shit. Like
now I know
that's
my taste is classier because when I ask for a beer, like the establishments I go to, they'll give you a little bit of it in a glass now. Like, here you go.
Like, yeah, try it.
Like if
Let's see if you like it.
If I just order a Bex or a Heineken, they're like, disgusting. We microbrew our own beer
Come
here.
on. You
I'm
see
like,
the
yeah.
fucking huge brewing tank here. Can you respect us?
I'm like, no, I don't want that.
I don't want this shit,
want
nigga.
that shit. This
Niggas
is
brewing this
nasty.
shit on fucking 3rd Street in fucking Brooklyn, nigga. Get out of here.
I was like, I just seen a cat get out that vat.
Man, what? Like, yo. And drunk talking shit like, yeah, I'm tired of this. Fuck, come back.
Yo, it's the best IPA on this side of fucking South 3rd, baby.
Yo, I'll fucking hit you niggas in your kibbles in your bitch. Like, what the fuck is going on?
When you see me at Outpoint, salute.
Oh, I'm pussy?
Whoa.
I am,
Yo,
but
nigga,
I'm
pull up
not.
on White Avenue. You know what it is.
You already know
You know
it's
what
out.
it is. There's only two. Listen.
Fuck.
Listen, no Pilsners over here, baby.
Fuck out of
Fuck
here.
this. This ain't Coney Island
You know what I'm
Mermaid
saying?
Pilsner. Just straight cat vat.
Yeah, I mean, nigga.
Yes.
Ignorant pale ale, nigga. Fuck
That's our
out
new
here.
Viceland's new beer.
Cat
vat.
Cat vat.
Each can is guaranteed to have at least 90% cat hair.
Woo, Liddy.
Ooh,
You
Liddy too,
you
titty.
gotta fucking strain the shit 1st and then just take the hair out and just have it as a side dish.
No, if you turn it around, if you turn it a certain way, like the cat hair.
You garnish
straightens
with
it
the cat hair.
What is it? Is it Modelo's and they put like hot sauce on top of it?
They make a
That's all
mojito
it
with
is.
cat hair. They'll submit me some cat hair.
Throw it in there. Just muddle it. Yeah.
I might smother the cat hair slightly.
I love it. I love it. Best chilled. Is available in Calico, Street Cat, and Tabby.
Tabby. There's a bunch of niggas in blazers and turtlenecks sitting around like,
Cat Vat. Yo, Cat Vat. We're sponsoring a live show tonight. Tiger Bear was gonna be the host, but let's go Cat Vat, baby.
yo, cat vat.
Let's go Cat Vat. Yo, you be excited as shit. Someone pull up to your house with a 6-pack of Cat Vat. Like, nah, nigga.
Nah, my nigga, nah.
no.
Nah, you can't do that.
Nah.
That's not for that.
Nah, you gotta bring like a real beer.
You gotta, you can't pick the shit that's in the front of the store.
Oh.
When you go into the liquor stores, like Jersey got liquor stores, like, and you buy
Yeah, we have
beer there
liquor
and
stores
shit.
here in
I
New
mean,
York City.
you know what I mean, but
Don't-
it's like a thing.
Like I said, Jersey got liquor stores.
It's like a thing.
Like we don't got liquor stores here.
I mean, niggas got mad liquor stores. I'm very familiar. It's the Castle Hill. Let me rock early. Fuck it. But yeah, the shitty beers towards the front of the store. Like all the weird, like the seasonal, like blueberry ale, pale ale. All that shit's at the front of the store. Don't get the beer from the front of the store.
This is fucking Jersey boy over
This
here.
shit's
'Cause
whack.
They don't even sell beer in liquor stores in New York.
Fuck out of
Look
here.
at
You gotta
you
go.
changing up on niggas.
Nah.
This ain't gonna be Amish by like next March.
I'm on deck with way too much.
This nigga
I know
pull
you
up in,
niggas see the
this nigga
Instagram
gonna
live.
pull up in a horse and buggy with the suspenders and shit.
Like, yo, good morning, my lad. Nah,
I'll be like, yo, Mero, you late? He's like, nah, we raising a barn, my nigga.
Nah, I can't do it. My mom would be ashamed of me. I'm too Dominican. If I gotta come back, I come back to Deckman every weekend and inhale fucking 20 ounces of hookah smoke to recharge and go back.
No, that'd be a fire ass TV show. Like
Amish?
if you
Amish mode?
Dominican
Amish?
Amish, correct? Like you got the horse and carriage, the wild big Dominican flag on the back.
Yeah, fam, that shit reminds me of that show fucking where niggas come into the country to get visas and they wife up the wild dubs. It's like on TLC, it's some bullshit show, but like there was a Dominican dude who came and wifed up this wild dub from Michigan and she was just wild gas, like, we're in love, like Julio loves me.
What
like,
show was
we're in
this?
it together. It's like 90-day engagement or some shit like that, 90-day fiance.
It's a
some shit.
reality show?
Yeah, it's a reality show. It's fucking wild. It's out of control.
For a minute there, I was like, you just telling the story of your uncle.
Like, yeah, oh yeah, no, absolutely.
That's not no TV show.
A couple uncles. Shout out to all the niggas got sent back though, and they's doing good out there, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Juan Pablo, shout out to you, you know what I'm saying?
Damn, it's gotta suck if you get sent back.
Yeah, I mean, but if you get sent back and you got money and you send out money, you're good. You know what I mean? Like if you get a nice cable package, a pool and shit.
I mean,
If you look at all those artists dudes, like all the Dembo niggas, like they got compounds out there. It's like they don't even got cribs. They
Yeah.
got, like it's like a fucking some drug lord shit. Like when you got a fucking 20-foot wall around your crib and shit.
the concrete with the broken
yeah,
glass on the top.
You already know.
in case niggas try to climb over
So
the top.
niggas try to climb over the top. They catch with that pussy. They bottle up the ass and shit.
Ah, coño!
Coño, pan del diablo, coño, man. Nigga fall off the wall like Humpty Dumpty.
Nigga running down the street holding his nuts like
Coño, mamá
that's what you
huevo.
get.
Yeah,
That's
nigga.
what you get. I'm on a fucking porch with the AR like that's what you get.
Yeah, nigga. That's another thing. You could just have guns willy fucking nilly out there. It's like West Virginia, dog. Like you can get all types of. You can have a gold AK out there.
Yo, like Jamaica is like GTA. Like,
Yeah.
You know how
Straight
like
up.
GTA like just give niggas money. Like,
Yeah.
yo, you ain't see that.
Do you see that? You're
going.
good. Yeah, go.
Like it's not even like a bribe. It's just a cop just like yo,
Yo,
like,
doing my job.
That's it.
I'm keeping you safe. Somehow.
Have a good day.
In a roundabout way.
Listen,
Yo, I love it, but I hate it at the same time because it's like if you got money, you're good, but if you got money, you're in danger. You know what I'm saying?
And
It's
if you
like
don't
a
got money,
catch-22.
you just fucked as
You
well.
just fucked too, yeah, because you're getting fucking dengue or fucking Zika.
money makes the world go round.
Yeah, that's right, baby.
Yeah.
I just looked over, I seen the wild half a backwood and shit on the mix pack, mix slip knots.
Shout out to Mix Pack.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Jubilee, shout out to Dre Skull, shout out to the whole gang. Popcorn.
Popcorn out there.
You know what I'm saying?
We're out there.
What's he doing, right? Is he touring? What's he doing?
I
wanna hear more music.
He was just on the Instagram riding ATVs.
Nice.
So
Nice.
he's chilling.
Nice.
He's chilling. My man's chilling.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I enjoy seeing niggas win, bro. It's positive.
Yes. You know who's winning? We are.
Yeah, motherfucker.
Also, we're winning with Square Cash. Still doing the Bodega
That's right.
Dreams. Still giving money out to you guys for your dreams, your hopes, your aspirations. Listen,
your
we believe
community
in you.
organizational skills. You know what I'm saying?
We believe in man's top left.
Top left. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know a lot of mans is Marved out there, but top left, we're gonna hold you down.
Yes.
We're not cheesing you, bro. You know what I'm saying?
We're giving out money quality.
You know what I'm saying? Yo.
So, be sure to use the hashtag Bodega
already
Dreams. Don't DM while you do DM.
Don't-
Shout out to you
don't do
people who are not caught up on this podcast. The Illustrious podcast. We know we give you a little. We're giving you too much, Mom.
Yeah, hold on.
Put your hand on your stomach.
You can
just
take
breathe,
it. You can take it.
Breathe in.
You can take it. Just arch your back.
But the people who are just like on episode like 50 and they're like, oh shit, you guys giving money out? I was like, nah, man, you gotta catch up.
No.
Like if you're not caught up, what makes you think you can? You gotta,
just jump in the
that's for the
side
real
and shit.
fans.
Like, come on.
That's for the real fans. The people who are just like, yo, let me take care of my newborn baby, and then they see the little SoundCloud thing like Bodega Boys just uploaded a file and they dropped the baby on the floor and run to listen to it. Like, oh shit. Later, baby.
Yo, hold on, nigga. Pff, yo, chill the floor soft, nigga.
Bye, little nigga. Toss that nigga on the couch.
Do the fucking halfback toss into the fucking grave and shit. Like, yo, fold that nigga.
Like the folks like, woo, woo. Listen, priorities.
Yeah.
Because that baby, you got it for at least 18 years.
Yeah.
God, hopefully.
Yeah.
But you don't. You don't want to be like not the first to listen to the podcast in your group chat and shit.
Nah.
Somebody else and Rob fucking drops a joke before you. He knows a new AKA.
Yeah, and you tight like
He ruined it.
Like,
and he's doing it live. He's live texting it to you, and,
And
you're
you put him on.
Yeah. How you feel?
How you feel, nigga? Like
He know about shit. He was at the Peralta pop up. He didn't even tell you.
He didn't even tell you who's there.
He got
nigga.
all the shirts.
He didn't even get your size.
Shout out to everyone that was a Hive member. Put another Hive member on, and now they surpassed you with their fandom
You know what I'm
dedication.
saying? Listen, now you niggas got to fight each other with your shirts off on
We
Tremont.
need to do membership cards for the Hive and give them ranking numbers.
Yeah.
And the
Straight
only
up.
way you can move up, you have to kill the person who has a.
It's like Highlander.
Yes.
Yeah,
You gotta move up
decapitate a nigga.
for our
Well,
enjoyment.
maybe not that.
Remember that die for the Hive? He's always joking.
Yeah, nigga, it's not a game.
How great would that be? We got just niggas like running around the city, just nervous, like looking around the corner, like.
Niggas just hear, yeah.
You're
Turn around,
like,
let's go. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Nigga takes the sword out like.
Niggas trying to wild broadsword battle in the middle of massive.
In Parkchester.
Cops is like, I seen this before. It's called Die for the Hive.
Yeah, it's time for the Hive. These guys are just gonna. One of these guys is gonna chop
They
the
said
other
it's
one's fucking Wigginton
these two
off.
millions. They have
Whatever.
this podcast. These assholes do this.
Blase,
But
blah.
when it gets like a chopped cheese shirt or some bullshit like
Some
that, just
whatever thing,
let them tire themselves out.
They'll be all right. These guys all smoke fucking Newports anyway.
He's doing the wild spinning around and shit. Niggas got custom made leather
Jumping in
jackets.
and shit, like-
Ah!
Yo, niggas got the long ass leather dusters.
They got the Jinko jeans with the.
How you got a Pele leather duster, nigga?
They got the fucking key, the chain that holds your wallet in the back. They're using that as the short of his hat. And this man sparks him off the shit.
Yo, shut the oh, man.
Niggas is casting spells using the AKA.
Oh no!
I call Plantain Supernova.
I call the Fashion Nova Casanova. It was extra effective.
Lightning bolt.
Sleep. Yo. Oh shit. Oh shit, man.
Oh,
I
man.
used Ghost of Mufasa. It was super effective.
Oh
Oh
yes.
shit. Yeah,
No.
we're giving you the RPG and shit, nigga. What up? What up? Yeah, niggas play Final Fantasy on PlayStation 1. Nigga, what's up, nigga? I was out dust. Goddamn. I'm honestly saying I never ended. That's how a nigga say beat a video game, RPG, like Final Fantasy.
Oh,
and
yeah, I don't. Those games are stupid to me. Like, we just like wait your turn and do a spell. Like, fuck that.
Yeah,
like that's how you lose a fight.
I got gassed and thought it was like actual like real time fighting, and then I was like, oh, it's not. But then by then I was in too deep. I was like,
Oh, what game was this?
Final Fantasy.
Oh, Final Fantasy.
Yeah, I was just like,
Yeah, I don't like that shit.
I was like, I jumped on that train. I was like, man, I was like, the graphics are so dope. Remember how ill it was though when it first dropped? I was like, yo, this looks amazing. And now you look at it now, you're like, yo, this shit looks.
If
terrible.
you look back, some games that you were like,
Yo, this shit is mind blowing.
yo, look at this.
Wow.
Yo, my nigga Kobe got fingers in this game.
Yo, it's crazy. It's not just the oven mitt. Like, nigga don't think he's not tapping the nigga with the oven mitt.
Niggas,
Like,
they can't do the animation and shit. The players is mad stiff. In the beginning, like they can't, like they just got the players just kind of stretching randomly on the side.
Like,
and there's one crowd animation. The guy that stands up, that sits down, and next to him is the person. He sits down and stands up, and there's maybe one woman like clapping like.
and it's mad digitized 2D.
Yeah.
Like, yo, you can
And they
see
just
behind
change the
niggas and
shirts
shit.
of the crowd for depending on the stadium. Now,
Nigga, this nigga's in the crowd jerking off. This nigga's buying popcorn.
you can zoom into the crowd at Madison Square Garden. They got me. That nigga drunk. I'm like, how they? Wow. Like I'm playing the game and my character keeps getting up to go to the concession. I'm like, yo, sit down.
Sit, nigga, what the fuck you doing? You can play Desus mode and shit. You gotta hit the drunk meter and shit.
Like, I'm
It's like,
trying,
you gotta line up
I'm
the
trying to
fuck-
do like a fucking jumper and shit. I just hear in the crowd like, after the third quarter you can't get no more drinks. Y'all niggas go. I'm gonna get some more. I'm doing the free throws.
Fam, you gotta balance the tray beers and shit. Like, yo.
Yo, CC, what you want? Jameson on the rocks, double shot. All right, I need your ID. I can only get alcohol for myself. I can't bring it back to the seats.
Come on.
The crowd's like,
They let you do it? They let you take somebody else's ID?
It depends where you. No.
No. I was about to say, I was like, God damn, that's a
somebody
life hack.
went to a Rangers game, got mad drunk. Fucking left the Rangers game, went to a bodega a couple blocks away from Madison Square Garden, bought a 6-pack, drove all the way back to Long Island somehow. I don't know how he got to Long Island from Madison Square Garden. Shit-faced drunk. That's a wild drive, and killed somebody. Drunk driving, because that's like the number one pastime in Long Island.
Of course.
And they sued Madison Square Garden. And Madison Square Garden, I don't know if they lost the lawsuit after that, but after that, they changed all the alcohol rules. Like, nah, nigga, never again. Never again. Shutting it down.
See? One fucking stupid motherfucker gotta fuck it up for everybody.
But you know what it is? You gotta. I get the gist of it now.
Yeah.
Cutting off liquor at a ball game or a sports event because you need niggas to sober up.
Sober up and not
Think
get
about
too
it. If you
rowdy
just
and
have
shit.
people getting like mad drunk, like shit faced drunk to the last second of a Rangers game, and now they just stumble out on the 34th Street.
Yeah.
Mad hate crimes.
And it's against the Devils and
You
shit.
know what I'm saying? Niggas gonna be
You know what I'm
all hungover when they go to the precinct the next day
Niggas
to check in for work.
Niggas
Can't have
tipping
that
over
shit.
every halal cart and shit.
Don't want that.
On some hatred shit.
In fucking Penn Station, like, oh shit, Patrick Ewing. Oh shit, John Starks.
I'm like,
oh
yo.
wow, look at Charles. I'm like, no, I'm just a
nigga,
black guy.
yo,
Like, I'm not.
I'm Mero, nigga, like.
Oh wow, Jared Dudley. Oh,
wow.
shit.
Yo, oh yeah, I get that a lot. Yeah, but he's like 6'12".
Oh,
you know what I'm
wow.
saying?
So,
I'm not. I'm tall enough though. I feel like, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting sexy out here.
are you? They have surgery.
I got a trainer. Yo, shout out to Collins. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you working out?
My
You getting
personal
sexy on
trainer.
niggas?
Yeah, I'm gonna get sexy on niggas.
You know, we're gonna see the wild Playboy Latino issue. That's gonna be Mero in a fucking Ritz.
A rose petal.
It's gonna be rose petals with like a fucking Dominican flag Speedo. She's gonna be mad uncomfortable.
With the wild boner, nigga.
This
She
nigga
look like a Polar Spring bottle.
This nigga glistening like Pernil. And then they gonna be like, yo, like, y'all usually do shit as a duo, so I'm like, no, I'm
not that, nigga. There's a reason there's Latin inches and black inches.
They're
nigga.
gonna be like the Bodega Boys. Yeah.
The
Triple
Bulge
B's.
Boys, the Triple
B's,
Walking
yo.
like LeVar Ball and shit, like
Yeah.
niggas got the Triple Bulge Boys.
Oh, shit.
Never lost. Never south. Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be an uncomfortable photo
Man,
shoot.
I can't wait. Niggas are gonna make, bro, understand. Please listen to me. I told you, fam, like, I don't know what it is.
I don't know, like, you've been predicting the trajectory for some things I don't want you to put in the universe.
I'm telling you. I said, yo, we did the GQ shoot. I was like, nigga, at some point, they're going to make us do some dumb shit where we jump in the air together. We did. And sure enough, we did. Niggas made us hold hands.
GQ. Shit was, I'm not sure why they made us hold hands and they never used those photos. I think they just did that for their own personal pleasure. Like, look at them. They love it.
They love it.
They love this
They
shit.
love it.
They love holding hands. They were like, have you ever held hands together?
Semi. He probably has a semi.
Oh, man. Damn. When the money runs out and Victor runs off with all our cash, so we're like mad popped doing anything, doing like fucking internet skits.
This nigga's get his dick sucked in fucking Ibiza.
Then we gotta do a porn with fucking Amy Fisher.
An Octomom?
Yeah. No, you know who it is? Remember the mother from Jersey and she had the stupid tan? Yeah, she was mad dark. We're gonna be digging in her guts. Like,
She's like, oh
yeah.
yeah. My God, give me that fucking big black cock.
Yeah.
Oh God.
They're gonna be like, is this interracial? They're gonna like,
Shorty's brown darker than Desus. What the fuck?
they're gonna have it on Desus Hates Black Women, the Instagram account with mad question marks, like question mark, question mark, question mark.
Unverified source.
Oh, gross.
Yeah.
We're gonna do all that for like $500. They're gonna be like $500 a pop. I'll be like, damn. So I pull you in the corner. I'll be like, nigga, I gotta like pay me. So I'm trying to do like at least 4.
At least I'm like, nigga, I'm here till my dick is raw. You know what it is. Bodega Boys for life.
That third nut is mad painful. It's puppy water. Like, Jesus.
You feel your balls are like, no.
You gotta do that thing after sex where you like one of your testicles is like not really there. It's kind of up.
You gotta push the nigga down like,
why? What
get back in the sack. Get back in the sack.
Where we going? The captain turned back on the seatbelt light. Stop walking around the cabin.
When that nut migrates and Shorty's on top and she just jumps on it.
And you're like, baby, what you doing?
Oh
no, baby, what you doing?
No, so good. That's pussy so good. You got chill.
You hoping your balls don't twist around each other and you have to go to the hospital.
Like a long ball, Larry.
Shut the curb your enthusiasm being back.
You know what I'm saying? Shut the LD. It's good to see JB Smooth out here working, getting checks. You know what I'm saying?
It's good to see my doppelganger
that is like really not at all. Like
older than me, taller than me, wears a suit constantly.
And doesn't look like you at all. What the fuck? I'm like, yo, he's like, yo, that nigga got eyes and a nose, so
that's just a straight racism. It's not that everyone that anytime you see a black person with a beard, you put it on Twitter, you're like, Jesus nice.
Like,
no.
Okay, fam. No. Okay, he kind of looks like Corey Gamble. We'll give you that.
That's
you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But come on, nigga, like fucking.
That's like if I was, that's if I was eating my rice and cabbage.
You know, rice and cabbage.
If I was a little thicker snicker with it.
Thicker snicker. Oh shit.
Oh no.
Oh man, what a fucking week of fucking hellacious occurrings.
But you know what?
But yo, Boston lost, so we don't care. I feel like that's the number one thing to me is Boston fucking lost. Suck my dick for the back.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying? You think you got Kyrie, you about to win, nigga? You just took a fucking L, nigga. First of many.
Also, shout out to all the Boston fans who was like, immediately as Boston lost, they were like, how about your Knicks?
Yeah. How about the Knicks? Beasley's well for the fucking left side of the floor. I know we're all for the preseason, but preseason don't mean shit.
All right? I don't count preseason.
Nah, it's just a warm up.
Preseason's like sex on vacation. You don't gotta count that shit.
You don't count that shit
Fuck
at all.
that.
You can all up in that shit.
That shit don't matter. That shit's not real life.
You know what I mean? Just drink mad non-potable water.
Okay. The real NBA season does not start until the Knicks have the wild, unnecessary, dramatic season opener with pyrotechnics, fucking drones, orange and blue flashlights all over the fucking. The kids are flipping. They got the Asian lady putting the Chinese bowls on her head, you know what I'm saying? On the long unicycle. They got the flags out. You know what I mean? They shooting t-shirts in the air.
You know
like they have a cop sing the national anthem and shit. Shit is moving. The guard is like, let's go Knicks. Let's go Knicks. And
go New York, go.
We are the New York Knicks.
We are the New York Knicks. Hey, go New York, go. Sounds like every nigga from like 1992 niggas.
Everyone is fucking amped. We're like, 82 games this season. Let's fucking go.
Magically sprout a flat top fade and shit. Like, and then back in the 90s, baby.
And then 2 minutes in the first quarter, they're like, ooh.
Knicks are down by 20 already. 28 points in the first quarter. Wow. Rough start for the Knicks. Wow. What do you think, Clyde?
Well, their Xanadu has become their Waterloo, and their outside shooting is not fortified.
Absolutely. Melo for 3, psych!
Melo's no longer on team.
Oh, wow.
I saw Melo playing for his new team in the preseason.
Damn.
I was like, fuck.
Fam. And it's crazy because now people are just putting on blast. They put that video out of him being like,
get the fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here.
For the
rebounds.
Like,
yo, if you're a real Knicks fan and you watch MSG, you already knew that shit, bro. That nigga goes for the rebounds hard, bro. He's like, yo, get the fuck out. Yo, he stole a rebound from Sasha Vujicic. I was like, get the fuck out of here, nigga. I got this shit. Bro.
The sad thing is, people in that thing, like in the comments underneath that picture of him playing the hard rebound was like, damn, I never noticed that.
Yeah. You
took him for granted.
Yeah. Don't know what you got till it's gone. You know what I'm saying?
You know, I see it coming down my eyes.
Come on.
Had to make the Knicks cry. James Dolan doing a fucking unplugged.
It's like, yo.
He's like,
that's right. You was right there when I bought my first pack.
That's gonna come right back.
Come on, man.
You don't do a CEO like that.
Dad, come on. Trying to get me to sell the Knicks, man. You sound like a dick.
He's like, yo.
If he sold the Knicks, he'd be rich forever still, man. He's like 60, dog. You not. Come on, bro.
He's popping.
But like,
He's
you don't even need to own the Knicks.
If he sold the Knicks, why we would never mention him?
He still own the Rangers.
Nah,
own
but
MSG.
he enjoys owning the Knicks. You know what the thing is? If you own the Knicks, you wouldn't sell them just because people are telling you to sell the Knicks.
It's like owning a dog that you just have just to kick it. Like, what is the point? You know what I'm saying? Like,
rich niggas do rich things.
Fuck,
nigga.
bro. Like,
fuck.
Come on, B.
Jerry
I'm sad,
Seinfeld
nigga.
got Porsches in a garage he don't even drive.
That's true.
He bought his neighbor's townhouse and converted it to a garage with an elevator for his cars.
Man, I hate saying goals, but that's fucking goals.
That's rich nigga shit, dog.
That's rich nigga shit,
Did you see the video with Oprah Winfrey talking to Ellen?
Saying that she went to go deposit $2 million just to see what it was like
At the
fam,
bank.
At
She
the
said
bank.
she told her the person that usually deposits her money,
I got this today.
I got this today because I want to see what it feels like.
Yeah.
Now you know goddamn well Oprah did not go to the right bank. She ain't know her account number.
Come on.
She came in with that check and was like, "Here, poor.
Yo,
deposit
do this. She just put it in the slide-through window, like no deposit slip, no nothing.
They was like, ma'am, we need your accountant number." She was like, "Oh, it's
Oprah.
Oprah Winfrey.
Check under your seat. It's right under your seat."
They was like, "This is made out to Bank of America." Imagine Oprah Winfrey just walk up a TD Bank with a $2 million bank. Like, now I'm calling the cops. I'm like, "Oh, you're Oprah."
Yeah.
I'm hitting that button underneath the desk. Like,
That ain't Oprah wig, man.
Oprah Winfrey. Okay,
Yeah.
where's Stedman? I'm like telling everyone. I'm like, look at her hair. Don't even Oprah hair. Don't be looking. She got mad flyaways and shit.
I hear you, nigga.
She got like.
I hear you, motherfucker. And by the way, look out the window. You see out the window? Stedman's in the fucking car. That's where he
got
is.
the mad Bentley.
Keeping my shit warm.
Imagine you're under mad pressure and shit. She give you the check and you like, Oprah. Usually, if a check is over $800, it takes 3 days to process. Oprah's like, "Oh, is that 3 human days or 3 Oprah days? Because you already wasted 4 Oprah days with this bullshit."
And you're wasting 5 more now.
Oprah, how would you like your? Would you like it? And she's like, "In 20s." Oprah walking out the bank in $2 million 20s. You know what? Jay-Z said we don't do this anymore, but I had to do it one time for the gram.
One time.
Oprah, for the culture, you gotta do a money phone shot.
Oprah, fam, you gotta do a double money phone, Oprah, please.
That's not what we call money over here.
You gotta do it all like. Is there a $1,000 bill? What's the largest denomination bill?
You're asking the wrong.
If Mace is to be believed, it's $1,000 bills with Teddy Roosevelt.
Wow. Wow.
The
Facts
largest
and raps.
The largest ever issued was the $10,000 note.
That's what?
The largest ever issue was a $10,000 note.
$10,000 note.
The largest ever produced was a $100,000 note, and they only used it between Congress and some government shit. Okay. But yeah,
you get your hands on a couple $100,000 bills.
But it's 1s, 2s, 5s, 10s, 20s, 50s, and 100s.
Yeah.
So there's no $500 bill. But you can. People are stupid enough that you can give people a $500 bill. They'd be like, "Oh, they'd be like, thank you."
Oh shit! Wow.
They'd be like, "Sure, enjoy that.
Enjoy that. Yeah.
Enjoy that."
Try to use it at Target.
Shit got Tyler Perry on it.
Yo, Target now got the fucking scanners, my nigga. They don't got the marker anymore for the hundos.
What?
It's a fucking scanner that you put in the shit. I'm like, yo, nah. You niggas are getting scammers are fucking the game up crazy.
Yeah, like people come into Target and like put shit underneath their cart and walk out with it.
I mean more so like credit cards that scammers.
I mean, scammers are scammers.
As opposed to boosters.
Listen, shout to LP out there. The first responders. Blue Lives Matter, loss prevention out there.
Shout to Lazy Julio.
All right.
Who's like, yo, you still, come on, my nigga, you really gonna, Mero, you on TV, Mero.
Shout to everyone that works security at Target and you get offended when people take a kneel, when people kneel for the flag because you think they're disrespecting you, because you think you're law enforcement. Like, nigga, you are not a cop.
You're not a cop, dog. Like, your badge is plastic.
Every day I don't know if I'm coming home.
I don't know.
All I have is this flashlight.
I might have to use my flashlight tonight. You never know.
We got to do a dramatic series that just show like the Target security people just like put on their shirt and shit. It's like, I just want to get home to my family every day.
Niggas in the bathroom getting ready, just sitting in the door.
Nigga put in the new C batteries in his walkie-talkie.
It's like, Papi, I hope you're okay tonight.
You
Please.
Know, this is why I do it. He pulls off his hat. It's like a picture of the wife with the baby.
It's like, I get so scared every time. I never know if somebody's going to try to steal kitty litter, and that could be the last time I see him. I get so nervous.
I took an oath. I took an oath. You see that circle, the white and the red?
That's the target.
I die for that.
He said he won.
I die for that.
I believe him. He's a man of his convictions.
Look at the target tattoo on his chest. Set for fire. No man left behind.
Target life. Nigga, across the belly.
This is my partner. We've been riding together for 20 years.
That's it.
On the ride now.
You know what I'm saying? On the Segway, you know.
Niggas have you know how the cops have that briefing in the middle? They're like, yo, be safe out there.
Yo, house arrest has been hot lately. Be careful.
Listen.
Yeah.
Listen, we got some active threats. I don't want to see anyone walking the aisles alone.
Guys, partners in the Halloween aisle. You know what it is.
Has your 6. All right? Remember what happened to Ramirez over my T-shirts last week? We don't want another one of those.
Don't want that.
We don't want that.
R.I.P. Ramirez. The arrangements are at Ortiz this weekend.
Ramirez! Man, that cannon.
Ramirez, get into Burger King. Ramirez, climb to the roof. Ramirez, shoot the helicopter. Ramirez, fly the helicopter.
With the belts.
Yeah, they got Ramirez doing everything. God damn.
Worst part when they build the wall, Ramirez gonna be on the other side of it. You're gonna be like, nigga, I fought in World War III.
Come on, man. Come on, y'all niggas. What the fuck? I'm a veteran, nigga.
Damn.
Shout out to my veterans out there.
Shout out to
the street wars.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying?
Real veterans
you know what I'm
out
saying?
there.
Free next nigga Nate's home. You know what I'm saying? Free freaky. You know what I'm saying? Word up. You know what I'm saying? Rest in peace, my nigga. See.
These people you're saying free? Should they be free?
They should be free. They should be free, bro. Nace is a treasure, man. Like, he's a wild animal, but like he's a good wild animal. Like he's chill.
Okay.
Like he's like if he's around his peoples, like he's controllable because you could just put your hand on the shoulder and be like, yo, nigga, chill.
You sound like every mother that like when their kid shoots somebody or something, they're like, he's a good boy.
He's a good boy.
He don't never bother nobody. He just stay inside.
He's good.
He just be quiet.
He be quiet, you know. That's
and they
all.
would be like, oh shit, that nigga was bad as fuck. That nigga was just a matter of time before he shot somebody. Yo, sometimes I come out the building, I see him in the hallway. I went back in my apartment.
I see the nigga with the gun in the lobby, in his lap.
You could look him in the eyes, and his eyes just, I don't know, he just loved the murder.
Damn. Did they stop doing this shit in the New York Times where they just covered every murder in the South Bronx?
They were just doing it for like a month.
The summer?
Yeah, the summer, but yeah. I mean,
that shit was hot, boy. And also a fucking entire fucking film, a documentary.
Listen, a lot of people's getting shot.
Niggas, summertime is hot. I don't, fam, you can't really say that you're from the hood if you don't understand that niggas get shot in the summer.
Yeah.
Like, niggas get shot in the summer. Everybody's chilling outside. Nobody wants to chill inside with a box fan.
Mm-hmm.
We all got outside. Everybody's in front of their building. Everybody's in front of their crib. Everybody's, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's outside. And if you got everybody outside, you're going to bump into niggas that you don't like. And niggas that you don't like might have firearms on them. Or you might have a firearm on you. And you might not like each other so much that you discharge a firearm. And that's just a fact of life in the hood.
You can't be shooting niggas though.
But you can't be shooting niggas.
Can't shoot niggas. Can't shoot niggas.
Just fight. Let's go back to fighting, bro.
Nah, fuck that. You know what? The only type of shooting I want to see is jump shots.
Jump shots.
Yeah.
Yo, put the gun down. Pick the basketball up, y'all.
Thank you. Bodega Boys.
You know
This is a public service announcement. Yo, don't be a bitch, nigga.
Snuff a nigga if you have to, but stick the ball. You know what I'm saying? Join the gauchos.
These are problematic PSAs. Yo, if you get this girl pregnant, stay in her life.
You know what I mean? Shout out to Melo for keeping it extra funky and having his son play for the Gauchos and not like some wild, like, non-New York AAU team.
But is he in Cleveland now? Not Cleveland. He's in Oklahoma City. Same place. Like, let's keep it funky.
Yeah.
Let's keep it funky. There's only like 5 cities in America.
Damn.
New York, Chicago, Philly, DC,
I want Melo
Miami, LA, New Orleans.
Yeah.
There are mostly places
I've never
out there.
been.
Atlanta.
I've never been. I've never been to Atlanta. I've never been to Atlanta. I've never been to New Orleans. I've never been to...
I don't even think you'd have fun in New Orleans because you don't drink like that. Like,
I mean, I don't know.
it's very hot. You can't get a salad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is there weed readily available?
Yeah, you can get weed, but it's just like, damn, I went to a fucking bayou to smoke weed.
I mean,
like, dude,
I probably would drink just to do it.
You gotta get like white girl wasted out there.
Oh yeah.
Like,
I'll do all types of drugs, do all types of drinking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we was like on mushrooms or shit, we'd be wilding on. But Bourbon Street is dangerous because every now
if I
and
took
then.
mushrooms out there, I would be out there with the yardstick of everything.
Yo, if you took mushrooms, Mero would be on like the balcony showing his titties.
Yo,
like
throwing beads and shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? Guzzling gallons of Nutcracker. Like, come on. I'm so thirsty. Like, just mad thirsty, drinking mad Nutcracker. I'm so thirsty.
Because it's mad hot. You just drinking mad alcohol.
Yeah,
like why am I not hydrated?
Oh my God.
You know what I need? I need a big bowl of gumbo.
Yo, yeah. That's exactly what I need. Then you throw up all that fucking Kool-Aid and gumbo the next day.
And they'd be like, yo, you could get 30 raw oysters for $5.
30 raw oysters?
What?
From the back of this truck?
Say less.
Let's do it.
Niggas just guzzle this shit like, I don't know. Wake up the next morning mad horny and like about to throw up.
Shout out to homie
You
that
got the
came up
wild
with
hard
me.
dick, but you got to throw up, so you got to like angry as shit in the toilet. Like,
And the sink, you usually piss in the sink or you throw up in the toilet? Or you just go in the bathtub and just get on all fours?
We talked about this before. No, I'm not throwing up. I'd have to be damn. You can't throw up in the bathtub. Like, that's disgusting because it gets into like the sink.
Into the
and,
thing.
Like,
You gotta
it seems
take
like
the
a good
thing out.
idea.
Unless you're chunky. If you're on some Michael K shit and you never eat soup, don't throw up in the bathtub.
Yeah.
If you're on some regular nigga shit and you had a nice chicken broth for lunch, you know what I'm saying, something light, then you can throw up in the bathtub because that shit's all going down the drain.
Yeah, but you never know.
You never know.
You never know. You never know. You don't like when you know
You
you're
might
about
catch
to
a
throw
slice
up.
of pizza from like yesterday that didn't fully form.
When you about to throw up, you know you're about to throw up, and you start getting that like saliva.
Right when it gets here,
yeah.
you know.
But you don't know. You don't know if you get in New England clam chowder or Manhattan clam chowder, baby. You don't know if you get in. You don't know if you get in blue Gatorade or you get in Gunga pea soup. You know what I mean? Sometimes shit's a little thicker, you know what I mean?
I ate way too much. I got way too smacked in the night and ate way too many Reese's because Halloween candy's in full effect. Shout out to Little Meros. And fucking, I just been dipping in the stash, get high on my own supply.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry. You know what I mean? I apologize to all those involved. But I ate a whole bag of Reese's in one night. And I have been peeing out my ass ever since.
Yeesh.
And you know what I'm saying? I'm not ashamed to say it. Behind the scenes, when we first pulled up, I ripped a wild fart in front of Hasan and Desus, and I want to apologize publicly to y'all right now. You know what I'm saying? Because I was very rude, and I did not mean to do that to y'all.
On this podcast, the illustrious podcast, one of the best podcasts in the world, we talked
You know
about EMP blasts.
Oh yeah,
The electronic magnetic pulse
That'll
blast.
take New York. That'll take New York City the fuck out.
Mero generated one with his fart.
Yes.
We had to change the trackboard. We lost 3 lacy hard
The
drives.
fucking clock radio says error on it. ERR.
Shit said 13 o'clock. Blink, blink, blink. Oh my God, if you could generate EMPs with farts,
Yo, fucking.
imagine that. We'd just drop you in Russia and shit.
Oh man, just hang me from the helicopter. And
You
give
just
me-
flying over like,
Just give me like 5 chimis. Yeah, that's it. Some chimis, some chocolate milk. It's
Ooh.
over. It is over.
their
bro.
MiG jets just falling out the air. They're like, Mayday,
No,
Mayday, Mayday,
no.
yes, yes,
Well, why is it on fire?
They're like, it's the plantain warfare.
Oh my God.
They're like,
He's
we need
shitting
more.
mango all over them.
We need more. Give him a fungo.
I mean, shrimp before go like, yeah.
Just mad people, the scientists with like clipboards monitoring you. You're running on a treadmill. You're running on a treadmill, eating mofongo. They got you doing mad tests and shit.
General walks in mad nervous. Not the shrimp mofongo. That's stage 5. That's DEFCON blue.
We have to. It's an emergency.
So,
It's an emergency.
are you sure?
He has a super Dominican. He's going super Dominican Cyan.
I'm like, Poppy shampoo. What? I just blow mad hookah smoke out and shit. Just take out a whole country. Like, holy shit.
Whoa.
How'd he do that?
North Korea was mad nervous on the video. Like, whoa.
Yo, chill. I know you had that nigga.
Whoa.
Yo, chill, B. Yo, we animate Dragon Ball Korea, B. We good.
Niggas
we good.
warned them before we drop. Like, we just fly over and drop mad the hookah mouthpieces and shit. Like a warning on it. Like,
Yo,
get out.
Get out.
Get out. We dropping
Now.
bomb soon. Nigga.
drop mad mid
If
hookah
you
and
care
shit.
about yourself, lay down your weapons.
Niggas drop mad Mercedes with automatic, fully auto hookahs. Like, yo, hold that, nigga. Man, smoke rings, motherfucker. Nigga, General Peel, anything else I could do is like, I know fucking baby, I taking over North Korea.
He has those like fucking, remember the fucking pants with like the hips that
Yeah,
the fucking,
they come flare out.
Yeah.
With the crop boots and
they
shit.
got that fucking stick and shit. He's walking around dressing the troops with a cigar.
Yeah.
Today, we fight.
We fight.
We win.
They can take our hookah, but they can never take our freedom. Yeah.
I'd
You
watch
gotta
that.
fucking, yo, I watch the
that.
shit out of
I'd
that,
watch
boy.
that shit.
I'd watch every Mel Gibson movie reenacted with
With
B.O.
P.O.
as fucking Mel
Mel
Gibson. Because Mel Gibson's low-key problematic. Like,
Not low key.
He's high-key problematic.
He's high key problematic.
Like, he's multiple levels. He's like misogynist, like anti-Semite, like anti-black, like anti-everything. God
everything.
damn.
Yeah, P.O. could be. There's not many movies you can't reboot with
Come
P.O.
on.
that would not be hilarious.
You know what I'm saying? Like, let's be real here. You know what I mean?
Lorenzo's Oil, yeah.
Come on, dog.
You know what I mean?
Citizen Kane.
Roots.
You know what I'm saying?
Boys in the Hood. Ricky! And he's running that slow.
Yo, nigga misses because he's so short. He's like, fucking baby, stupid. You miss, motherfucker. Nigga turn around with the AK, like, say hello to my little friend. Yo, John Singleton's like, that's not the way.
That's not it at all.
That's not how
What the
we
fuck?
play. Fam, what y'all niggas doing?
Cut!
What the fuck are y'all niggas
Why
doing?
is this baby on the soundstage?
I know fucking baby John Singleton. I sing at you, mom.
Oh, shit. We gotta see him in a romantic comedy. See him in You Got Mail. It's like a set of bad emails and shit.
Yeah, low key, we made that nigga catchphrase when we did the metal shit, and Shorty was like, "Yo, I love you, my nigga." He was like, "You love me? Then give me keys."
Yeah.
Imagine niggas saying that shit like on fucking the kids shows and shit. Like, "You love me? Give me keys." Oh, come on.
Oh shit. He's in Pretty Woman. That part where like Richard Gere slaps down the jewelry box. He's like, "Oh no, you don't get it.
You don't get this.
No touching.
Fuck out of it.
No toca nada."
No, mami, no sono patino. No, loca. Tú no eres chapi.
Oh man.
Shout out to all the choppies out there, you know what I'm saying? Listen, just because I'm on Deckman don't mean that I'm susceptible to the choppies.
Not yet. Not yet.
My nigga Pawn ain't home. Not yet. But when I get home, I'm going to on the same set.
Choppies.
Shout out to the choppies. They're out there lurking. They're like sharks. Nigga, you see the fins. Nigga, the fins is the 40-inch weave. Like, dun, 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 dun. Yaki, yaki. Dun, 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 dun.
Dykeman's
4C.
Dykeman's a bit much. You don't catch me there.
It's a lot. It's sensory overload. Because then you gotta go eat fried pig ears after you imbibe. You know what I'm saying? You got the fucking peluche and shit. Get hit El Dina, hit the fish fry. You know what I mean?
How you got to train on you in fish ears?
It's offset. You know what I'm saying?
Offset.
So I can stay. Mama! So I can stay here. You know what I'm saying? And not get fat and not get too skinny. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm at 215 right now. Like, I'm good. I'm feeling sexy. Like, I'm looking in the mirror and shit. Like, damn, nigga, I'd fuck me. You know what I'm saying? Like fucking Buffalo Bill.
Would you fuck yourself?
You know what I'm saying? No, probably not.
Imagine you hit yourself from the back and you grip like your chest, your hairy back.
Like I grab my back hair and like rip it out. Nah, I can't do that. Nah.
What would you even say? Like, what would you moan while you're fucking
like,
yourself?
Oh, me?
Like, damn, Mero, tear it up, me.
Damn, you ain't no kid, nigga.
Damn,
got the Pushka deal, nigga. Damn,
nigga, you tight?
I'm not ready.
Damn, nigga, we tight. I'm tight.
I'm tight. That you tight, nigga. What the fuck you tight about? What the fuck?
What if you fuck yourself and you give yourself like the wild weak deals? Nigga be mad at himself.
I'm like, yo, I wasn't really into it, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, she was kind of whack. Like, you're me. Like, I'm me. Like, shit's weird, nigga. We should just each go masturbate in different rooms. Like,
yeah, I probably would stop. Be like, yo, let's play like Rocket League or something.
Yeah, let's chill.
Like, two on two now.
2-on-2. Like, we good.
Like,
Jesus in one room, Mero fucking Mero in the other room, and then we're just like, fuck, let's play Rocket League.
That's a Spike Jones movie. Fuck that. I don't give him no ideas. She's gonna have Run the Jewels on the soundtrack. No.
He's gonna like, I need full frontal from you guys. I need full penetration. Mero, you really have to fuck yourself. I'm like, I am, nigga, doing this fucking movie.
You say that now too, it wins like mad awards and shit.
Like, yo, it's so introspective.
Oh my god, it's a new being John Malkovich.
Yo,
it's like, go fuck yourself.
Let's go. Literally fuck yourself. At the Ace Hotel.
Remember Will Smith did a movie and he kissed the guy and everyone was like,
oh shit,
this is the end of his career.
Yeah, and then he went out to do fucking like,
he was like, parents just don't understand.
You know what I'm saying? What was the name of that movie? 7 pounds? 8 pounds? 9 pounds? Hey,
that was early on when he plays like the gay. Like,
who's coming to dinner kind of thing.
Oh, okay.
No, but he's listen. All due respect,
you know what I'm saying,
to the illustrious father of Jaden Smith, Will Smith. But Will Smith has had some PU stinkers.
Fam,
my God.
Yo, let me tell you something. He had a movie that was so trash, and it still had mad merchandising. Remember Wild Wild West? That Burger King had the rodeo burger.
Remember it,
nigga? I used to
Stevie
live for
Wonder
that shit.
had a song. With the Wild Wild West. They had steampunk spiders and shit.
Yo,
fucking had
mad CGI when the niggas was just inventing CGI.
Who's the guy that fucking said females laughed about routes? The football player?
Cam Newton.
It was the villain in it. You know what I mean? Like, shit was lit. But then think about it. He also had, remember, what was it? Starship Earth or Destination Earth?
Yeah,
where him and Jaden Smith were running around the planet, and it was there was when M. Night Shyamalan got whack, and I think he was related to it, but they snuck his shit on the end. It was like Will Smith, Jaden Smith. M. Night Shyamalan. I was like, what?
So what?
Was that last line?
What?
It was like, don't worry about that. In theaters now. M. Night
Shyamalan. It's crazy because he
had that movie 9 pounds.
Yeah,
he had that. He had the movie where he was.
I was gonna say Trey Pound.
He had the movie where he was emailing letters to emotions.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. It was like any movie where Will Smith cries, he go, yo, I'm a shoe it. The nigga's like, nah, we off that fam. He cried in the bathroom with your son. You can't keep milking this shit.
The most emotional moment Will Smith has ever had, in my opinion, is when his pops left on Fresh Prince and he was crying with Uncle Phil. And they cut the music off and they ran the credits. I was like, damn, dog. I was like,
what about when he punched the alien in the face in Independence Day?
True. What, did he say motherfucker? What was it? He said something. He didn't say that?
Welcome to Earth.
Welcome to Earth.
Welcome to Earth. Pow! Just dumping it out. Yo. That was an ill movie though. Independence Day was an ill movie. Go watch Independence Day smack right now. Because if you watch it sober,
does not hold up.
It doesn't hold up. But that's why I'm saying get extra smacked because it's not gonna hold up if you're sober.
It does hold up. It doesn't hold up.
You know what I'm saying?
But the thing is, we would have lost to aliens in the real world because they were already running. They already had like Apple shit.
Smash.
They had Apple shit. Those niggas had Apple. The aliens came to Earth with Apple Kit and MacBooks and shit, lightning chargers.
Bro. Like, oh, your niggas don't got the
We
dongle?
had the wild fucking Android and shit. That's how we blew this shit up.
Oh
and
shit! Like, oh man,
give them a virus.
Niggas laughing at our Snapchats and shit. Like, shit look like Nintendo, nigga. Well, I thought that was Wendy Williams for a second.
No Wendy Williams over here. Shout out to Wendy Williams though, because we've been on her show.
You know what I'm saying?
Up next, we're gonna be on Ellen. The trajectory is there, baby.
Yeah, it's there. Fam, we did Fallon twice. Did we do Seth twice?
Hey, yo, we were on Jimmy Fallon's show twice. We didn't do Fallon twice.
I mean, that's Hollywood speak.
Ooh,
you know what I'm saying?
Whoa.
Hey, it's all about the energy.
Hey,
you know what I'm saying? It's energy.
Whoa, Mero, whoa. We gotta watch what you say. Don't say anything that could be misconstrued.
Hey.
I don't hear this when they're playing this in court.
Did we know Seth Meyers came on our show and we went on his show? Right? We didn't go on his show twice?
Do you not? You're asking.
Do you don't even remember this shit?
I'm sorry. Is the Hollywood life too much for you, Mero, to remember what shows you've been on or what guests have been on the show?
Wow.
Shout out to somebody this week. I'm not gonna blow him up, but he was like, "Yo, y'all gotta get Young M.A. on your show, fam. Like I watch all the time."
Fam, you know how much that happens? Bro, I know that you're a staunch believer of don't read the comments. I'm gonna get smacked and read the comments.
Yeah.
Every time it's some nigga, yo, y'all should have Diddy on the show. Yo, y'all should have French on the show.
Griffith on the show.
Yeah.
Yo, when I posted
y'all fuck with Katie Nolan, why y'all don't have her on the show? My nigga, they've been on the show. Yo, Loopy hasn't been on the show. Loopy was on episode 5.
Yo.
Come on, B.
I posted a picture of us at CC Sabathia. People was like, yo, what episode
you gotta
is this?
come on.
Fam.
Google it, nigga. Google Desus Mero CC.
It's not that hard.
That's
fam.
it, bro.
We can't speak. Listen, we can't baby feed you, fam. We can't spoon feed you.
Come on, fam.
I can't be like, yo, here comes the plane.
You know what I mean?
Open the mouth. Look at all the people on the spoon. Mayday, our left engine's going down. We're going down. Oh my God, brake for impact. Everybody died. Everybody died. They just put the parade carrots on the table and shit. The baby's just like, yo, you gonna feed me or nah? I'm like, no. That was to let you know the importance of having the FAA and regular maintaining your airline fleet.
That's right, B.
All right, baby? Now go feed yourself. If you want me to come and teach a baby the harsh realities while feeding them, you know what I'm saying? Hit me up.
I've been talking to my kids when I feed them and
you
shit.
Gotta tell them that real shit.
Yeah, be like, yo, you gotta be like, yo, life ain't fair, nigga. My kids stay saying that shit. That's not fair. I'm like, life shit ain't fair, bro. Sorry. You gotta fucking. I bought that toy first of all, motherfucker. So I'm gonna delegate who is playing with the shit at what time.
A good thing to do is if your kids act up, just take one shoe away from them.
And be like, yo, walk around with one shoe.
Walk around with one shoe.
I take both shoes.
All right.
I'll be like, walk around the yard with socks on.
One shoe is worse.
Socks feel like.
One shoe is worse because then it's just like
imbalanced.
It's a wobble. You gotta gaslight your kids. You gotta constantly do things to make your kids think they can't live without you, and reinforce that with them.
Yo, I mean,
if your kids are sleeping, just real quick put plastic wrap over their mouth, and when they wake up, you're like, oh, you all right?
You okay?
You okay?
I came to save you.
Having a bad dream, champ?
You okay?
Oh man. All right, Daddy's here. Don't worry. Okay. Well, I'll stay with you till you fall back asleep.
My kids be calling me at 3 a.m. talking about I gotta go pee. I'm like, nigga, you can get out of bed and go pee.
Nigga.
You don't need permission, dog. So you train your fucking kids. No weakness.
You should install a subwoofer underneath your kids
to wake them up in the morning
on the bed. No, it's every now and then you can just be like, boom.
Yo, niggas is in the crib, so they're nervous. They're used to apartment life. And what you hear in an apartment is police sirens, the road, people playing bachata, whatever. Now they're hearing crickets, weird animals digging. You know what I'm saying? Shit in the attic. You know what I'm saying?
The house settling
and shit you know what I'm saying? And they're like, yo,
terrifying.
What the fuck is that? I'd rather hear some gunshots, my nigga. Gunshots are most soothing to them and shit.
Gunshots are crickets.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Somebody got clapped. Glad it wasn't me.
That shit is like a white noise machine. You get a Bronx white noise machine. It has it has what's the sounds on it? It has gunshots. People randomly fighting.
Yep, you already know.
Gotta have that. Someone playing music off their phone.
Yep.
They got that.
Someone double parked in their whip blasting music for no reason. You know what I'm saying? Drinking a nutcracker.
Someone yelling up from the courtyard about somebody throw down the keys.
Yo! Yeah! yeah, for an hour. I don't
Also-
think he hears you. Why don't you call him on the phone?
A car alarm for a piece of shit car that shouldn't have a car alarm and it won't go off. Why the fuck do you have the repeating car alarm on a O2 Nova, my nigga? Like, come on, and it goes. You know the car alarm I'm talking about? Over.
I'm like,
that's like the most piece of shit car alarm. Also, the last thing on the Bronx white noise machine is the Wild Hood ice cream truck lady. The hello. That's that depressing because like you know it's summertime. You want to hear Mr. Softy. You want to hear the Mr. Softy shit. You want to hear like hello. Like that's mad obnoxious.
Come on.
Like,
you got the homemade ice cream and shit, man. Come on.
That's not fly ice cream.
Come on.
It's all hip hop ice cream and shit. Let me be like, can I get a Master P with sprinkles? Like, no, I want a rocket pop, my nigga. Yo, can I get a chocolate young MA with let me get a cherry Barty B.
Yeah.
Hip hop snacks now available at your local hip hop truck.
Yeah, I'm fucking about. They're really doing that shit too. Doesn't Fabulous have the wavy chip, which, in my estimation, should have been held back from production until Max B was released, and Max B should have had the wavy chip.
Right.
I'm just saying. All right. But shout out to Fab though. They don't mean personality. You know
But remember, they used to have hip hop snacks back in the day. You remember that? It was like Snoop and
oh yeah, Master P
Salt
and
and
shit.
Pepper.
Salt and Pepper. Yeah. Did Master P have his own chips?
He was on a chip. He might have had his own chip.
Yeah, he
Shit was
probably
sick.
Nigga had everything. Nigga was in the NBA.
They need to bring back hip hop snacks, and then you could have like Little Pump, like a Zanny flavored chip.
Oh man, a Zanny flavored chips. Xanax is disgusting. They taste awful. Like I don't know why. I can't understand. Yo, if you take a Xanax with a dry mouth, you're a fiend.
But doesn't it give you dry mouth?
Like it makes you
every time I
thirsty.
take it, yeah.
Like you know what I'm saying. But like, yeah.
Anytime we're touring coast to coast.
Flying to LA.
And someone throws me a Xanny,
You know
I
what I'm
take it.
saying?
Like,
As soon as you walk into the airport, it's just like
it's like No, last time I couldn't sleep on the plane because remember Shorty was acting OD wild.
Oh,
and
yeah.
we were annotating it for Instagram Live.
Oh man,
because that's what we do.
Bro, we off saying and fucking Shorty's wilding on the plane, and we're just chilling like, yo, this bitch is bugging.
I was like, yo, just drag her off, bro. Just drag her off. This is Delta. You can do whatever you do. It's your plane, nigga. I won't tell nobody.
I won't tell nobody.
I'll put my phone away.
Shit, nigga, we in first class, baby.
When you on the plane, you are afraid of getting beat up. But if it's like someone else being a wild asshole, you just like, yo,
fuck that nigga up.
Do what you gotta do, baby. Hit that nigga.
Yo, there was a wild like Becky ass cokehead joint too. That was like, I am fucking like, this is my fucking seat.
I'm not getting up.
I'm not getting fucking up. Fuck you. I have a leave time practice. Suck my dick. Fuck you.
Yeah. They got her off that plane though.
Woo.
They got her
Boy,
off that
they
plane.
Jazzy Jeff that bitch out that motherfucker.
Bro, I'm not confident enough to make a big scene on the plane. Like if I got on the plane and like my seat was full, I'd just be like, yo, he's in my seat. And they'd be like, well, that's too bad. I'd be like, all right. I'll go.
I'd be beefing over the overhead shit because when you get into there and like niggas start taking the overheads that are like over your seat, I'm just like, we got grill niggas like, yo, my man, you trying to come in my hut?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
You in
hey,
my hut now.
You in my hut, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I like my cigarettes with a battery.
People have lost it's no longer the seat, the overhead thing of your seat is yours. Now it's just like whatever overhead compartment you get because they did the suitcase. Now everyone's trying to fit everything on the plane. It's weird.
And niggas don't respect them little boxes that you gotta fit your
They
carry-on
don't.
in.
Niggas be violating
them shits crazy, brazy.
How you gonna come with a fucking milk crate full of vinyl and try to put that shit above put that shit in the overhead?
Come on, nigga, coming with the Desperado guitar case. Like, my nigga, where is that gonna go?
My favorite thing is when people know it clearly does not fit, and then they make that sad little attempt to close it, and just look at the flight, like the stewardess, like, yo, it's not closing.
Can I put this in first class? And that's what they won't let your ass do. They won't let you put the shit. They're like, no way.
Storage in first class, you could sleep in that bitch, nigga.
Fam,
I did not know.
Like, yo,
like this is how much overhead space you get in first class. You hear your bag moving around because ain't no other bags in there, nigga. First class is so nice because they give you a drink before they take off. They're like, sorry that the steerage isn't ready yet.
Fam, I don't even remember what airline it was, but the shit fully reclined. They had the
bed.
Bruh. God damn,
Shit was
bro.
beautiful, dog.
So if you know what airline you are, holler at this nigga and cut the motherfucking check.
It was American? It was American. Yeah, because mine didn't on the way back, but it's all right. I got the wild credit. I still got it. Oh shit, I bust that out there. Hey, whoa, hey.
Yo, is Melo gonna do that dance with Russell Westbrook, or is he gonna be like, my nigga, get the fuck out of here?
Probably.
Like he's grabbing the rebound.
Probably.
Yeah.
I did a tweet that got a lot of traction about planes.
Yeah.
About people standing up right when the plane lands. And
That's wild.
They run right into the aisle.
Yeah.
I understand, because people's like, yo, what if you 6'5"? What if you 6'7"? That's different. I'm talking about if you 5'4". Why are you standing in the aisle? We ain't reached the gate.
Come on.
Where's the rush?
First of all, you little ass nigga, I know that you're about to ask me for help with your bag.
Exactly.
So wait for me to stand up, nigga.
Okay.
And just let me pass you your shit.
And now it's weird, because now, like, you standing and you blocking it, and then
you can never stand up. If you're over 5'4", you cannot actually stand up. You gotta stand like this, man, hunched over, like, and just stand there like a wild fucking hunchback of Notre dickhead.
Like, if you're in the seat, you can stand because you've been sitting the whole time. But if you rush into the aisle and now you're queued up in the aisle, no one's gotten their luggage yet. They haven't opened the door. Nothing's moving now. You standing there looking like a pants on a fool with your like a fool with the pants on the ground.
Looking like a fool with your pants on the ground.
Come on, sit down, people.
Come on, sit down, relax,
We
nigga.
ain't pushed to the gate.
Come on, nigga. Your Uber's coming. Don't worry, papi.
They're like, I gotta connect my connecting flight. Maybe you should have planned earlier.
Maybe you shouldn't book them so fucking tight, you little wingding.
To save $10.
You know what I'm saying?
You know?
Niggas be the worst. Yo, matter of fact, listen, if you fly this out, it's first class, B.
Oh, yeah.
I'll put that out there.
Everyone
if you
knows
fly
that.
this out, it's first class. Stop fucking playing games. Niggas gotta arrive comfortably. Don't make niggas stressed out. Don't make me take my shoes off and put the shit on the back of the bar the nigga in front of me see.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Leave
You know
my
what
head
I'm
on a
saying?
hard ass window, nigga with no pillow. Fuck out of here, bruh.
Man's
Put
them,
niggas
man's
all
them
crazy.
done with domestic.
Yeah, nah.
Top left.
It's off that. Top left. Off that. We not Marv then coach no more, nigga.
No,
we
no.
eating lavish. Niggas got breakfast empanadas and shit. Like, come on, nigga. Stop playing games with us, bro.
Nigga, we even took first class on Amtrak.
Amtrak, nigga.
Like,
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, right. Only do
This is
that
a first class operation.
We do shit like that when you moving bricks. That's the only time
You know what I
black
mean?
people be in first class on Amtrak.
Are you a rapper? Do you guys rap?
Yeah. We're the Peanut Butter Boys,
Yeah,
bitch.
that's right, bitch.
You know our single.
Spread your cheeks. It's extra smooth.
Our first single. Which we performed South by Southwest.
Super chunky and extra smooth, y'all.
Oh, shit. Oh, man.
Yeah.
That was
if you really want some smoke, you can get it. That shit's been stuck in my head all day.
Oh, see, listen, shout out to Cardi on that.
Cardi on that.
Cardi's verse on
that G-Eazy song.
the G-Eazy song is better than
No Limit.
Nicki's verse on Wake It Up.
Yup.
Fight me.
Fight me.
Pull up in my mentions. I will fight you. BX all day. You know it.
Popping.
I think it was a guy, somebody on Twitter was like, she's not rhyming China. She's rhyming the word before it.
Which is the word China, nigga?
If you don't get your rap,
are you fucking
you don't
like
get your rap
man?
genius ass out of here.
Damn, dog. I be wanting, this is what makes me want to, shout out to the training and fuck, I'm just gonna start taking HGH, B, and just choke slamming niggas, B. That's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna start taking HGH, come out like Dr. Dre at that music festival where he came out Wild Jack,
Swollen.
and everybody was like, who the fuck is this?
Wait till my nigga Mero don't go nowhere, and he's only in like those fucking Carl Thomas tight mesh
Wild
sweaters,
tight shit,
showing
like,
the muscles and
what's
shit.
good with the True Religions on, like, yo, what's popping? Who wants smoke, B?
He gotta look like Terry Crews and
Yo,
shit.
Jesus, that nigga looking at you funny, yo. That
like,
nigga's
yo,
looking at you funny.
relax.
That nigga, nah, I ain't gonna relax. That nigga's looking at you funny. That nigga gotta get smacked, B.
This nigga-
Open hand. Word up. Niggas ain't playing games out here, nigga. Niggas know what it is. Niggas beat bees for life, nigga. Big bees, nigga. Fuck out of here, nigga. Get on the wild Barry Bond cycle, nigga. Get mad aggressive.
Get the wild bitch swollen head. Shit.
Like, yo.
I come to the studio early, you bent over with your pants down. Victor's injecting you with Bobby in your fucking ass. Like,
I'm like, you ready to do this, nigga? You ready to do this shit, nigga?
Like, whoa, relax.
Punch me in my fucking chest so you break your hand.
Relax. Relax, my guy.
Yeah. Do the AKs, man. We're like, yo, it's your boy. You been doing that flap, nigga. AK, Trans Khalifa.
You just shut out the mic.
Mike is like, yo, nigga sounds like, god damn. Taking the headphones on and shit, like, what the fuck?
Just slamming down Red Bulls while we're doing this shit. Like, 1, 2.
Yo. So they
niggas-
thought I was crazy because I was in the fucking playroom, nigga, doing push-ups and shit, bagging out 10 cent push-ups and shit, like.
Wow.
You gotta start somewhere. You know what I mean?
Wow. Damn. Yeah, you don't ever want
10
to
at a
walk
time.
in.
10
You
at
don't
a
ever want to
time.
walk in on a nigga that's not in jail doing push-ups.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, with the towel on his head, like, nah, something going on with
This
this
nigga about
nigga.
to kill somebody.
This nigga's unstable.
Woo. You can just doing wild
Yo.
push-ups with
You know what
fucking
I mean?
shit written on your knuckles
You know
and
what I
shit.
mean? Straight 5 sets of 10, nigga doing the mad wide shits and
Lock
shit.
in.
Like, yeah.
Nigga
One
doing-
arm and shit.
Nigga free doing mad prison push-ups and shit. Nigga lifting a bag of water and shit.
I'm using my kids' monkey bars and shit to do pull-ups and shit. Like,
Nigga
they're
get
like,
the wild
Daddy.
brolic back and shit.
I'm on the swing and shit. Like, niggas like, why you on the swing? That's not part of the regimen.
Nigga ripping up a bed sheet. Nigga made a fucking escape rope and shit. You like fishing a magazine underneath the door and shit. Your kids are giving you email and shit. Like, yo, good looks on my
looking,
mail.
nigga.
Good looks on my mail.
Yo, throw me an onion soup, my nigga. I know you good for it.
Yo, here. Good looks on that VR. Slide this nigga like a pudding and shit.
Yo.
You like, yo, CO.
Shit. Yo.
Yo, CO. They're like, yo, it's your house.
It's your house, my nigga.
She's like, yo, I'm locked in.
Yo, my kids is beating me up. My kids is the turtles, nigga.
Go
Just
fuck
beat
that.
my ass.
You like, you never gonna break my spirit. Fuck that.
Niggas have me feeding on shit.
Attica, nigga ball up on the floor and shit.
Niggas beating my ass. They're like, Daddy, you asshole.
Nigga come in the kitchen like, I believe you have my commissary. Nigga got a plastic bag. He's just pulling shit out the cabinet.
They're like, yo, what the fuck is wrong with this nigga?
Like, I'm gonna take some. Yo, let me borrow some toothpaste till my people send money.
Like, nigga, your check just came in. What are you doing? The fuck?
Fuck this. Take mad suits.
Nah,
and
nigga,
shit.
nigga, this is a lifestyle, nigga.
You got that fucking the orange jumpsuit with the flap that's down the front. You got the white socks and shit. Nigga living a full correctional mentality.
Yo, son, I got a nigga with me with Kool-Aid on his lips and shit. They're like, who is this guy?
Don't worry about that.
Don't worry
That's
about
your
that.
new mother.
Yeah, nigga, it's your stepmom, nigga.
This nigga Mero got the wild correctional institution thick glasses and shit. Sitting there watching Desus and Mero through like a TV that's see-through, so there can't be no contraband in it.
Like, yo, this shit is funny as fuck.
Shit
Them
is funny.
niggas is funny, yo.
It's funny. You know about this shit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Them niggas look wild, breakable low.
Fuck that. Punch that nigga's face.
Nah, I mean, get in the dorm with them niggas, break them niggas down real quick one time.
This is like lights
Know what I mean?
out.
Yeah, nigga,
Lights
lights
out.
out. Lights out, butts open, nigga. Yeah, nigga, open that jail wallet, nigga, I'm going in.
Ooh, the problematic light is on. Is on. Nigga just turned into the fucking style. Some niggas go for life.
Damn, yo,
Some
son,
niggas-
that song is so hard, bruh. That
Nigga
song
wanna
made me
die in jail.
Yo,
That's what-
with their blood and their guts all
All
around
they
they
sell.
cell.
That song
Bro.
and BD Siegel, What's Your Life Like?
Oh.
If you listen to those,
Nigga,
you
your
still want
life
to go to
ain't shit, nigga. Your life is whack.
Whack.
Oh man,
Yo, all right,
nigga, that shit will deter you. That's Scared Straight right there. That's audio Straight. That's
Oof.
it. You don't even need to reboot the show. Just play that shit for your kids before they go to bed, and they will never go to jail. Like, yo, nigga said, "I'll tear out your eyes," nigga, in the bar. Like, yo, true story.
Nigga said on the boat. Or
Nigga
something,
said, "Me, I grabbed the banger and I'm
Yo,
tearing
tear
out your
my
eyes."
size.
Oh
I was like,
my god! Whoa.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Oof, I mean, don't go to jail.
You know what I mean? Because yo, Starspeed's like 5'8", but like that nigga be talking wild greasy.
That
so
nigga- that
I'm not
nigga
trying to
did
see that
stab
nigga.
somebody,
You know what I'm
so,
saying?
you know what I mean?
I ain't trying to see that nigga in the fucking dorm.
That nigga's come to, yo, you taking a shower, that nigga show up with like a fucking foreskin under the rays under the foreskin, a towel and some Timbs. That nigga nod at the guard and the guard walk away. You like,
You run out of there with mad Irish Spring in your ass.
Johnson! Where you going, Officer Johnson? Get back here!
Chill. Yo, come on. You know Irish Spring is wild greasy, nigga.
You run out the shower, mad soaked up, you slip, niggas laugh at you. Nigga fall down the steps, niggas like, like
Yo, this nigga bust his ass.
nigga bust his ass in the day room.
Nigga was shook. Nigga had to stop speed. Had the nigga under pressure.
Nigga start calling you Suds McKenzie. You gotta fight a nigga in the cafeteria.
Damn. Nigga start singing Slippery every time you walk in the room.
Yo, where you going, Bubbles? Yo, Irish Spring, give me your lunch.
Oh,
Like, no,
shit, nah,
fuck
come on,
that.
fuck
My mama
that.
sent these cookies.
Come on, man. Please, man. They butter crunch.
Yo, zestfully clean. Get over here. Let me smell you.
Fuck out of here, nigga.
You're not fully clean unless you zestfully clean.
Know what I mean?
Yo,
You zesty or not?
you can't be in jail with no soap on the rope, though.
Nah, bro. You need that.
Like, you gotta listen. You just gotta have the good hands. You gotta be like Odell Beckham when you drop the soap. Be like, whoop.
Yeah,
reach
catch
back.
it. Just drip it. Yeah, nigga, you better have that shit on there too. Like, you better catch that shit. You better have some stick up on your hands.
But you were real nigga. You come in the shower with like the shower caddy. You set out your little
You know what I'm
cosmetics,
saying? Like,
your
boom,
razor
boom,
and shit, your little
moisturization kit.
your shower, your beard lather, your beard oil and shit.
Yo, niggas just looking at you like,
Nigga, what the fuck? You be like, yo,
with the wild bar lever 2000 and shit. Like, what the fuck is this nigga?
yo, you Nieta, right? Yo, you help me with this just for me. It's
Real quick. Yeah, just touch it up.
I don't want to get like fully black. I just want to get rid of like a couple of the grays.
Yeah, I
in
got
my
a couple
thing.
grays. I don't want to
I have
go.
a date with Officer Lopez. You know what I'm saying? I want to look right for this shit.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
Sure, I might get Shorty pregnant tonight.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get out of here.
Get her fired.
Ruin her life.
Ruin her life. Hey, man. Ha
Haha.
Shout out the nigga smashing COs in jail and not pulling out.
Why you're in jail? Why would you? That's a. Nigga, there's certain occasions in your life you're like, I better pull out. Jail is not one. Jail is not a place you gotta pull out. It's important for the person, like, you gotta be like, yo, nigga, make sure you pull out. Cause listen, nigga in jail, he wants visitation rights and shit.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
I mean,
Yo, damn, you get your kids bored and shit. You're like, we'll cut the umbilical cord on Skype.
You gotta cut the umbilical cord through the cells.
Collect call and shit. Like, you having a correction.
You gotta cut the umbilical cord with the fucking top canister of a Pringles can.
Yeah.
You don't wanna live your life like that.
They got a fucking battery and a wire. Niggas just burning the umbilical cord off.
The first gift you give your child is a pack of fucking Cool Ranch Doritos from the vending machine. Like, no.
Yo, this shit just type crushed up because I had it for a minute, but you know what I'm saying? I was saving it for you,
He's
Poppy.
a baby. He has no teeth.
That's why I crushed it up, you know what I'm saying? So you can swallow it.
Oh, babies in the day room.
Oh, yeah.
Shout out to all my women out there visiting guys wearing the bras without the underwire. You know what it is, man.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? Lock in. Shout out to everyone in Ithaca.
Letting them titties hang.
You know what I'm saying? Mid-state gang, what's
you know
good?
What I'm saying? Holla.
Yo, it's been episode 84.
Free tax, though.
You know what I'm saying? Free the homies. Free Bobby Schmurder, Robbie Rebel, Rah-ah.
Yeah.
Yo, it been episode 84.
That's
1984. Right. That's the year Reagan invented crack.
Yes, he
Yo,
did.
it's been the Bodega Boys, the most illustrious podcast in the building, the most foremost comedy duo in the world.
You stupid.
Check the stats.
Get to know.
International comedians.
You know what I'm saying?
Put some respect on our name. Top left.
Top
Yo,
left,
it's your boy
homie.
Desus Nice, aka Desus Vice, aka Young Chipotle, Poxy Fat like Tim Rio, Chris Knapp's Wrestling Dick,
That's
Eli
right.
Lippy, Butcher's Bully Gully. So man might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo.
God damn.
Nova Seta Noventa, Equato in Nueva York, Young Hofi Boys at it again. Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC Lukagunga P, putting up 440, which is shorty. Look at the wrist.
Ooh, switch.
Nothing but that. AKA don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't fucking know you, nigga.
And Uber drivers, when I get in the car, don't ask me my name, because now everyone else in the Uber pool knows my name.
Damn, dog.
I called the car to a location. Why would I just get in a random car?
Come on,
use your
you see
sense.
look at my avatar,
Okay?
nigga.
Listen, I'm not going to talk. You can tell us a wild story about how you came here in a container ship from Russia.
That's cool.
But just keep driving my Uber,
Keep driving, dog.
Jesus. The original one plus one got a fuss one. So don't make a fuss one.
Don't do it.
Okay? And we're talking about events with steps and repeat.
Yeah.
Okay? So if my plus one wants to take a picture, caption the shit for Getty
on,
Images,
B.
yo. Don't make it weird.
Go ahead, B.
Okay?
It's fucking sponsored by Jimmy Brothers Barbecue, nigga.
Don't
Come
act
on,
like
man.
that, man. It's Marcel Liquor, dog.
Come on,
Y'all
B.
sent me a bottle. Jesus Rossi is a Jamaican too. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa. One more time. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa. The Ghost of Mufasa,
Damn.
Young Charcuterie without the coonery. AK Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees,
That's
Ken
right,
Locay.
Oh my God,
Number 19. Number, what is he, 98? Dude, we won it right there.
We won it right there, Papi.
Oh,
was
yeah,
lit.
there's so much cocaine.
Oh,
Vice Game
my
Makulaka, B-Phone Jones, DJ Machina, Jay Chuckles, Stanley Cups, The Human Dr. Bonner's label, Dilute, Leonardo DiCaprio.
Damn.
It's the 240p because I like my Pinot Blurry. DJ Woolite, AK, you're listening to Washed FM.
That's right.
Up next, we got Major Coins.
Oh, shit.
Can I get a what? The Curry Goat, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew, the Marino, you cannot contain her, you human meme, word to Ja, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budquest, Nosen Bangdella, Sergio
right.
Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human whirlers melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris Vincenza, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. The juice suppressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peck on the Fashion Nova Casanova. William 8 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change, give me. Big money wine. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at Top Square. Catch me at Square One.
Top left.
Man's
Man's Marv. They're gonna go hit Ricky's.
Trill Rizzuto. Holy cow! Mr. Shopping the Street Easy with a bad breezy like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic aircraft you back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Miss Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka your problematic bay. The problem with America is we don't have enough guns.
Oh shit! Goddamn, that was a hot take there. DJ Fuego. It's your boy, episode 84, 1984. The George Orwell novel that predicted the future. Wow. Where Google would buy the earth and spy on you while you jerk off.
And we get Medicare
what
from
I'm saying?
Fenty.
Word.
Yeah.
Shut the Rihanna. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durable Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Chiriz Khalifa, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, I'm hopping the curb, a.k.a. James St. Fat Dick, I'll ghost on you, shorty. He will. I will. And I will not leave any fingerprints. A.k.a. I know fucking baby, I fucking man. Look at my social security card, I have it one now. Finally, I came in the mail. A.k.a. Chester, man, listen, you black, tall tee wearing motherfucker. If you don't let me in this bitch, boy, I'm on TV 4 nights a week. I'm gonna come back and cut your fucking face open, dog. It's not a fucking game. Check the guesses again, nigga, because my name is definitely on it, you fucking worm. I will do something that no man has ever done before. I will take the tiny skateboard at Toys R Us and I will do a fucking 360 heel flip just to impress my fucking children. You know why, nigga? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year, aka Bitch Smack Biyombo, aka Phil the Ass Tyson, aka Brian L. Messi, MVP of La Mota. I have more goals than you have hoes. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Brady, shorty got my balls type deflated. But fuck it, man. Mega game for life. You know what it is. AKA the Dominican Dondada, the Dykeman Don. You know what I'm saying? Barlow Santana. AKA Dick in your bed, Matombo. You know, have this pussy no more. It belong to me now. I have the boots on the pussy. That's it. It's my pussy. AKA Ben Boss and my hands are gifted. I will replace your cranial cortex with an NES copy of Double Dribble. Now you blow into your brain and you can play games. Ooh, I hit you with 2 bars in one episode, nigga. Holla. AKA Light Nail Touchy. Hello? Ooh, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke and single 5 and you ain't about that life, cause you pulled up with your wife and that bitch don't even smoke. Nigga, get the fuck up out of here. That's the extended version. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, nigga. Please secure your benzodiazepines, nigga. You fucking warm piece of shit. Cause it's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Newport niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Daniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks so I can forget everything that happened this week. AKA Nejo Brown, I got the Carter shut down. AKA H-Stream on Stevie B, catch me at the festival with TKA. I wanna be the one your TT is fucking. And she's definitely fucking because the Yankees are winning. Woo. AKA from across the pond, mate. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a bag of sticks in my butt because I saw the D's. Listen, man. Dog, I mean, I opened up a ranch out here in Oklahoma City, but I don't even know what to do except dance with Russell Westbrook. But you know who it is, man. Barmelo's Anthony. Swish. And I still got Lala nigga holla. If you see me at Target, dog, buy the $1 shit, man. Just understand that I'm not a broke boy, man. I'm just looking at the shit because I'm amazed at the amount of shit that you could get for $1. Approach me with respect. Approach me like a fucking earthside mammal, or I will violate your whole shit. You know what I'm saying? Yo, Hasan Insane, tírame la pista. ¿Qué fue? Llegó la estrella del cine. No te cruces, mamá dick. Que en este fin de semana estamos en Gaga Roja burlao con la taca y después estamos en Locksmith activo con el número 1, Hasan Insane. Y te voy a decir otra cosa, loco. Si tú te metes conmigo, ponte claro. Yo no necesito ID. Mi cara es mi ID, mamá huevo. If you don't know my face, motherfucker, get to know, get familiar. It's your boy, Holla, episode 84. We out here, nigga. The crack era. We out.
That's
Holla.
right. Don't get your face slashed.
Yeah.
Shout out to all the crack babies listening to this.
You know what I'm
like,
saying?
oh, shit.
Oh, I was a crack
wow.
baby.
Yo,
wow, I was a NICU for 6 months.
Wow. Shout out to everyone that broke off an antenna from a car and smoked some krills in it.
Yanked the radio out and ran
all my
out.
rock stars, this 1984 vibe.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all my young hipsters. You're wearing the clothes that people wore 20 years ago, and you don't even understand the history behind it, but it's cool.
But hey.
Listen, we're bringing back robbing niggas for their Lee patches.
Oh, can't wait.
Robbing niggas for starter jackets.
Oh, man. Pulling up on niggas with the tiny revolver and shit. Like, yo, give up the goods.
Give it up. Give it up. And we're bringing back Jerry curls.
Yeah.
So when you see me breakdancing on Bedford with the wild Jerry curl.
Nigga, let me tell you something.
Don't get caught up.
When you see Victor Bald and we got Jerry curls, you know what it is. Mm-hmm. You know what happened. Niggas got niggas got the Colombian extensions, nigga.
Listen.
Well, I don't even know what letter that is, nigga. That's the high quality shit.
You know, listen, we gonna bring it back. We bringing back the culture. It's 1984
You know what I'm
up in
saying?
this bitch. We're gonna be out here just jamming on it.
Holla.
Like, you know.
Yeah. Tell him. Talk to him.
Episode 84.
Yeah. Hip hop, it don't stop. Episode 84, #1 show in the podcast game.
Baby bubbles.
Baby bubbles. Y'all know the boogity beat.